Chris! The Chris! How many times will I warn you? You the Chris? See, make I tell you something. If you cap anyhow now, I go blow you short. I swear. Make I yarn you. Now length will day. I go turn you to arches.
What happen for you now? Babe. You be like say Popo don't Popo your sister. As we talk like this safe, they don't reach quickly. Popo don't Popo your sister like this.
What's us? I'm not supposed to reach like this, so I guys go help my sister.
Why big the Chris? Where you say they go? No, they use your head. As your head big rich, no, they use them. You know, as they clap your sister, if you enter there, they will clap them, they involve us. You go involve us. No, they use your head.
What's us? You go use your tongue count your teeth today.
I don't lose count today, I don't know.
Wait till you pull your weapon from my body now. You won't shoot me. Oh, yeah, shoot!
No, they go and do what?
What's up? Kick him. Kick him. Where? Kick him, Yash. Beat him. In the crates for head. No get respect. In the crates. But do the try. Kick him again. Idiot. No get respect.
The crates. Your mind touch my woman, Bobby. The crates. Don't push you. Come on, get down.
Instead they look me, instead they look me, they plan how I want to.
The
Idiots. No get respect.
The Chris, your mind they touch my woman, Bobby.
Hey. No be smarting now, but you all smash yourself pass. Oh, this one too is bad. What kind of nonsense is this now? It's just stressing my life. I don't even have money to replace it. Ow.
Whoa. Hey. Baby, God has finally answered our prayers. Our lives is about to get jiggy, about to get to the next level. Hey! Chukwuokede! Ha! Thank God, oh! Thank you, Almighty God, oh! Chukwuekene. Hey! Baby, something new is about to happen in our life. Our life is about to get jiggy. Jiggy.
What is it now? The way you just came out, you just scared me. What is it? I thought you received a call that Zaram is in trouble again. What's your problem now?
Hey, baby, wait now. My love, you know I love you beyond distance and time.
Please, right? Wait, stop it. I know when you want to patronize me. It means something is up. It's about Zaram, right? Tell me she has killed someone. Tell me she has killed someone. Are
you for real?
Can't I have my peace?
Baby, far from Zaram and trouble. Eh? Come on, baby. Okay, you remember that my boss, Mr. Ajibade, he just called me and said I should meet him up in Lagos. That we are leaving for South Africa in 3 days. Amazing! Amazing!
Okay, are you joking?
I'm not joking, baby. No joke. For real.
But I was just making your birthday dress.
Birthday dress, what? Birthday dress? How, baby girl? More birthdays are to come, but this is a golden opportunity for us to embrace.
I don't understand you. I don't understand you. You always joke about something very serious, and I'm not comfortable with it.
I'm not joking now. I'm happy. I'm excited. Come on, baby.
But you don't look like someone. Please.
Baby,
I beg. See, stop it now. What is it?
Baby, cheer up now. Something would happen to us. By SLO, South Africa, Josie level. Money don't show.
You're going to South Africa, and so. Okay, get out. It's not even working.
How will it work when there is no money to repair it? But hello, Josie, money will come out. The Lord has done it finally.
Allow me to.
I don't. Let's go celebrate.
Oh, you're holding something, oh. You're holding something, oh.
I am focused, sir. Okay, sir. It's okay. As we speak, I am working on the business plan. Alright, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Once I'm done, I will get back to you. What is it now? What is it?
Can you just focus on your job? That's more important to you. So, you have made up your mind to go to South Africa.
Come on.
Don't!
Focus.
Did they just leave me? Stop following me. What is it?
I'm going to miss you too. It's not easy for me. You know I can't live without you. But this is a golden opportunity. I can't miss out on it. Oh, just see reasons with me.
Oh, please. Abeg, what is it? You don't have to lecture me. I'm not a baby. I will kill you myself if you abandon $1 million opportunity just to prove your love to me.
Now you come. You understand the assignment.
But you know now, if you're not around, it will make things worse. Your absence will make things worse for me.
Maybe I understand, okay? I understand, but I'll just be gone for a few months. Few months, I'm back. I'm back like a big boy.
You'll be gone for a few months, Abi?
Just few months now, tore down. Then I'll get you some wigs. For gold, South Africa, they have gold now. I'll raise down this house. Good to Onya, lost something befitting for us. Just like you want it. I am messing a cash.
But Dede,
that have arrived.
Please, see. Zaram doesn't need a few months before she destroys herself finally. She doesn't.
Can you just leave Zaram alone? I mean, are you not tired of fighting with her? That one we do.
So you want to blame me now, Abi? You want to blame me? I don't understand. Just last week we sold our car just to pay $1 million fine to put Zaram off prison. What is it? See what I'm saying?
Come now, come. Don't.
Everything will sass. I first now sass place and people now sass place and they go think of sign you. All the time to make her stop. You know they will die on nonsense boyfriend for it. I mean I do na rubbish one I do. Everyone respect yourself.
Of our beauty, but it comes because of innermost beauty of us. I love your charm, I love your charm, I love your charm, baby, more and more, baby, more and more. I love your charm, I love your charm. I love your is inside. I just wanna get inside. Give me a chance to enter. Anytime you call, I go answer. Cause you want more than a million to me, baby. You are morning star. You have a good heart. I love your chapel.
Zara, huh? Why are you such a useless girl? Huh? Have I not warned you against sleeping outside? Huh? Where are you coming from?
Hey, hold on there. What's happen, Seth? What's happen? See, no, they call me useless again. Respect yourself, no, they call me useless again. Maybe you can't excuse money to go flex. Now you dare talk anyhow.
Huh?
Zaram, will you shut up your mouth? You dey mad? Eh? Why are you insulting Papa? Why are you talking to him like that?
Who be Papa? You dey talk say whether you dey mad. No. What even happen, Seth? Kene? What happen? You know what? I don't have all this nonsense. Hey, Zaram this, Zaram that. I say that because of say the word they spoil. What happen? Hey, talk to me anyhow. See, especially you, Kene. You don't dey there the form say, you lawyer, you get respect. Me never call you better pikin. See, make I warn you. No, they shook your nonsense mouth for my mouth again. Respect your old age. No, they put your nonsense mouth for my mouth. Which kind of nonsense beyond this one now? Look this man when he sit down here so. I even tell my papa. No. Look this man from my head to toe. I ain't tell my papa because if my mama make mistake, me and this person when sit down here so. Who they supposed to call useless? Will you shut up your mouth? Are you mad? Shut up! Don't talk to mama like that. Who be Papa? Are you mad? Who be Papa? I go slap you. Your Papa not my Papa. You don't get respect. Who? Slap who? Just you slap me. I go put my hand and look. Imagine you. I shut up your mouth. Why you want to talk to mama like that? I know that. Why you gonna kill my mama? Don't do that. You don't want to I talk to you. They yes so. Rubbish. Papa, you two of them. Make now let us know. Make I know how to collect. Wait, shut up. Papa. Wake up! Papa! I'm gonna be called. It's not breathing! Damn, it's not breathing! What is wrong with you now? Why have you not shown my clothes? Mother Joy! Oh, you want to ruin my traditional marriage, my special day.
Mother Joy, see. A lot has been happening in my
family.
Please
keep that to yourself, I beg you.
I go swamp. See, Mother Joy, once I just wash finish, tomorrow morning, tomorrow morning, I'll give you your clothes. Calm down. Now why you dey shout anyhow for my house?
I go wait till tomorrow morning before I go get my marriage, my special day. Is that what you are telling me?
Mother Joy, not all this thing where you dey talk, so I will give you your clothes. Tomorrow morning, I go swamp.
I know the way you talk. You want my marriage?
Don't worry now. I tell you, say I go.
Officer, this is her. This is Kene Zaram Eda's sister. She knows our whereabouts. Arrest her.
Yeah.
Young lady, are you Zaram's sister?
Officer, what has Zaram done again?
Where is your sister, Zaram?
I don't know where she is right now.
Hey! Hey!
Officer, arrest her.
Okay. What is going on?
Your wife's younger sister Zaram and her bad ex beat up my husband to the point of death.
Hey!
Ha!
Officer, is there not something we
arrest her!
Arrest her? How? I don't understand.
Arrest.
Officer, waiting for arrest her now!
Officer, see, she came in a few minutes ago. She entered the room and left just like that. Officer.
Officer, she don't have to stay for this herself.
I want to see your sister. Provide your sister for me.
Your wife and her gang beat my husband to the point of that. He's telling me to wait.
No, officer, and my wife it is.
Officer,
Let's go.
Officer, don't carry her.
We must go together.
Let's go.
Make we lock house.
Let's go. No, Abba, if you leave that side, we know how.
No, wait, officer, will they come? May we dress up?
No, we are not doing our work like that. Let's go. Let's go.
You can't come
Let's
like
go
this.
together. Wait, let me lock the gate. No, you can't go alone, no.
How do I run this matter? Now I want to run this barrow. Only one Kalade. Only one Kalade. And this deal too big now for one Kalana. It's too big for one Kalana. It's too big for one Kalana. I want to run this barrow.
What did you expect? Me don't travel because of a kelebe. I tell me no run that guy. You beat and bluff for your mouth.
Dikeh. You know they use your brain. What did they yarn say? Person touch my woman properly. That bastard touch my woman properly. He say my furia. What did that nigga deserve now to die you? Make I hear you. What are they hear you now and I hear it you? What did that nigga deserve now to die?
Wait.
Make I tell you, nobody triumphs my culpability and remain the same. Jagaban, this matter no one discuss am again.
Cinema. So our D cast now because of woman. Everybody they run a tasketa now. All your road dog, all your arubad, everybody don't travel because of woman.
My woman is not just woman. Wash your mouth.
Oh, your call.
I go smoke you. I don't want you rich, Joe.
You know I don't do my body. They can't me, Joe. What did they have for you? I don't speak my mind. I don't tell you after the fee. I don't speak my mind.
When I'm going to do the
I'm gonna run a task. Go watch can do.
you're going to do the camps now. What's the shop now?
I go smoke.
Where the shop for you now?
Not me, not to the best to the dance. You. I go smoke.
Jagaban, you go to calm down.
No, cinema, they fuck up, Joe.
What happened at the pianting? I think they happen. I just me now.
You said for you. You go to announce say you want the machine.
No, you not tell me say I carry around the account cause say you dey. I think they worry this one.
Hope nobody followed you.
I be small picking. If I pianting, they go and make sure say I look environs. Guy, you know they trust me again. Anyway, how far our deal is this up?
Zaram, you everywhere be now. I no go yarn you. Look now, they want yarn you now in Haiti. All of us need to dey low key. We no go need to do any galalana till everywhere melele. And the way it be, they yarn you now. They yarn me. They yarn me.
Because I'm not deaf. I don't hear you.
Beautiful.
Oh, your call.
Everywhere I need to dey melele before we go galala.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because in our most beauty of us. Yeah. I love your chapel. I love your chapel. I love your chapel, baby. Wanna.
Daddy, you actually got this place for us.
Yes, I did. And I hope you like my sense of the beddings, the bed sheet, the settings. Though I will still put other things on the wall, at least to beautify it more.
Yes, I love it.
Thank you. Can I? Did you remember the first time I met you? You were multitasking, doing two things at a time, helping Zaram and helping the other man down the street with his vegetable store.
Yes, I remember. But you thought I was crazy, taking on so much.
No. I thought you were the most strongest and selfless woman I have ever met. Then I realized you deserve something better.
Didi, I think you have to stop. You don't have to keep doing things on your own.
I want to. Kenneth, I want to be that man that will do everything you've ever dreamed of. Everything you've always wanted. All you have always worked for. I want to be the man that will make it all happen for you. Baby, this is not just walls, window, and a roof over our head. But it's a promise. A promise that no matter how tough life gets, we have a place we will call ours. A place we can build something beautiful. A place we can create amazing memories. A place we can make our lives awesome, away from chaos and pains.
Didi, I don't even know what to say right now. I'm just...
Baby girl, you don't have to say much. Just say you won't stop dreaming with me. Please.
This is true love that sees beyond the skies. It sees beyond our mistakes. It sees beyond our background. This is true love that sees beyond the skies. This is love. This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty. But it comes because of innermost beauty of us. Yeah. I love your charm, I love your charm, I love your charm, baby, more and more. Baby, more and more. I love your charm, I love your charm, baby, more and more. Oh, baby, I love your charm, I love your charm, I love your charm, baby, more and more. Oh, baby, I love your charm, I love your charm, I love your charm, baby, more and more, baby, more and more. Your beauty is inside, I just wanna get inside. Give me a chance to enter. Anytime you call, I go answer. Cause you want more than a million to me, baby. You are morning star. You have a good heart. I love your charm. I love your charm. I love your charm. Baby, more. Baby, more. I love your charm. I love your charm. Baby, more.
It's so beautiful.
This is our first kiss in this building. Let us always remember this moment, our symbol of love. Love you, baby.
I love you too.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of innermost beauty of us. Yeah. I love your charm. I love your charm. I love your charm, baby.
What kind of thing is this? I'm just feeling very miserable right now. What is it? I don't know what. God, what
is it now? What happened?
I don't just know the offense I have committed that God keeps punishing me like this. I don't know why my life is in so much pain. I'm just miserable. I'm just frustrated, and I don't know. I'm just tired.
What's wrong with you? I just asked a simple question. I mean, you're getting yourself all worked up and being negative about it. Answer my question. What happened?
This is why I keep having issues with you, because you don't just treat me like a woman. What is it?
Hi. But you are so unassuming. I swear to God. You're so unassuming. What's wrong with you? Simple question, you're turning into banter. How? I don't understand. Eh? What's wrong with you? I mean, I just trekked some 20 kilometers back home after an unsuccessful job hunt. So what I need now is cold bath, food, and some soft cuddle from my woman. That is if you have lifted the ban on my conjugal right.
Dede, you're a child, Dede.
I agree.
That's why you never see things my way. To you, I am not just significant. That's why you keep talking about having my body when you know I am deeply hot. Dede, why are you doing this to me? Why?
Zaram said it. Zaram said it. She complained too. She said you're so unreasonable and selfish. That is what you are. Yes. Rubbish. Mad. Ekona. Don't even rise like bread. You know, magic. I just want you. I'm having a bad day. I'm having a bad day. Nagging woman. Did you watch that film that year? Nagging woman, I know you hate that.
behavior in this house. She's so disrespectful and selfish.
Can you just calm down? Okay? You just put yourself together. I mean, just give her some time. She's going through rough patches. I mean, she doesn't mean it. I mean...
Oh, this is what you can say, right? No, tell me, this is what you can say, defending her. Do you have eyes for my sister? Tell me!
That's ridiculous. Can you just listen to yourself? Why would you ever think of such a thing?
Because you keep defending her. Dede, every time you keep defending this girl, I put this family together and she tries to ruin everything.
Will you just shut up your mouth? She's your sister. She's your blood. Yes, this too shall pass for her. Let's give her some time.
And I don't care if she's my sister. She should learn to comport herself. She should compose herself. What is her problem?
Will you just shut up your mouth? Look at how you're talking about your sister. You can't give your sister little time. She's going through rough patches. That is life. Sometimes it's like that. Everything is not just smooth all the time. Give her some breathing space.
I don't blame
Let her be.
You have eyes for my sister. It's very obvious. It's really not over your
very
eyes.
crazy. You're very
like
stupid.
that.
I'm telling you, you're very stupid for saying such a thing. Rubbish. Look at what you're thinking. I'm ashamed of you for looking at them. Rubbish.
I don't blame you too. I should continue thinking dirty, no problem. In this house, you're not going to have peace in this house. What kind of rubbish is this? What's your problem?
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of innermost beauty of us. Yeah. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo. Baby, more and more.
I will have to do what I have to do. I'm not Kebe's job. I will have to do this. Yes. No, I'm sorry. I have to do this. Every time from one problem to the other. You go this angle, problem. You go that angle, problem. Abambo to nowhere, boy to nowhere. Onabuso we kakolapi. Problem everywhere. I love you and you know it now. But you wouldn't say reasons with me. But I will have to do this. My future first. Future before anything. Future.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty.
What do you look for?
Wait till man tell you. This place where you come now, no go area. As you come, you don't come. Hey, do like this. Why they do like this now? Calm down, madam.
Try to calm down. Nobody they come.
And they all know they do me like this. You did me for bad side. This people say, what did they do? You don't make sense. So.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Power.
See, go outside. Go outside, go sit down.
Shit!
I said this one carrying tuberculosis.
Don't call me, no call me. Shift. Go outside. Enter where? How they see you, they will do all those things where they do. So that if you do anyhow, if you just leave one hand.
See, don't try that thing again from here. I will blow you. You dey mad? She said like yeah, like your papa house.
Life in the ghetto, everybody is suspect. Here in the ghetto, life in the ghetto, everyone is suspect. If you know keep your teeth, if you know keep and well, we go help you. If you know keep your teeth, if you know keep and well, we go help you keep and. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto, everybody.
Are you okay? Zaram! What kind of nonsense is this? Zaram!
I'm sleeping.
Zaram!
I want to sleep, so just leave me alone.
Senior man, I know they dread normally, so I gotta talk my mind as it be. Now 2 weeks we already hide for here now. Now love will go chop.
What did they hear self? Jagaban, I don't warn you before. I don't yarn you before. Say we no go fit do any galala till everywhere melele. I never tell you before. What did they walk you safe? You no get here.
This thing get us be. Me you check on. It no make sense. Now because you run a tie, you blow full your mouth. Now we delay our parole.
The curse. How many times will I warn you? You the curse? See, make I tell you something. If you cap anyhow now, I go blow you short. I swear. Make I yarn you. Now length will day. I go turn you to arches.
What happen for you now, babe? If I say Popo don't Popo your sister. As they talk like this, they don't reach quickly. Popo don't Popo your sister like this.
What's us? I'm not supposed to reach like this, so I guys go help my sister.
Why big the grace? Where you think say they go? No, they use your head. As your head big reach, you know they use them. You know, as they clap your sister, if you enter there, they will clap you and they involve us. You will involve us. No, they use your head.
But you go use your tongue count your teeth today.
I don't lose count today. I don't know.
Wait till you pull your weapon from my body now. You won't shoot me. Oh, yeah, shoot!
No, they go anywhere.
I no dey understand wetin dey happen for here. Now too go dey calm down. See, na the phone wey I collect this, so I don't always consign me. I don't always consign me. I was doing
bad guy. So after my warning, you know the year work. Why my blue shot? Did they crazy? I said make everybody dey on low for now.
You go dey on low, but no shopping doing first. You go dey calm down. Hope you there they play love just like the shopping doing. No shopping doing.
No chop life.
That job gone. We dey together. Relax.
Let me tell you something wey you no know. Half bread is better than none.
Hey, but my shopping doing first. You understand?
Madam, wake up! Wake up! What's in the shop for my ear like this now? Person not going for you.
Hey, Baba, what's in the house?
I don't know. You bless this Greek fuck. You bless it nowhere. Why you the shop for my ear now? You see me, I tell you. See that door way so nobody go carry you come out home. Nobody go carry you from here and go out. Why you disturb me now?
Wait, you sure say this girl no be Obanja because since when you call her, that's when she starts playing this game.
Make I tell you something. If she be Obanja, my own big person. See, start the family. Also, family.
No block me.
Use your hand.
No block me. Man, they touch me.
Shift. Yeah. Family make her hear am.
They shout.
But bless these people no wan give person food though. These police people, it's like they demand. Me like this, I dey hungry. No, you no dey near me. You no dey near me. You shift. Don't wear.
Mercy. Zara, how far now? Babe. Zara. So, how you go deal with that guy after what he do, Ebe? My God. Leave Osas, you know one year old. Your sister is right. Eh? What do they worry you now? Why are they packing my man like that? Which kind of insult be all those one? I just come here because you know my girl from day one. I come with you and give me small cleanings, make I take, you know, run some fine matters. I remove myself from the castle and that's why I put on. Just say help me. You go help me, I no go help me. I beg now. Your sister is right. Eh? You have to leave Osas. It's not helping you in any way. Don't worry now. I speak English. I follow you the yarn, they speak English. You they speak English, right? Tell us how to speak English. You know my girl from day one, oh. You go help me, Abi, you no go help me. You know I don't see her now, so you don't make up your mind not to help me. Bye, our moro. Zaram. This girl know the year old. Huh? You leaving?
Life in the ghetto, everybody is suspect. Here in the ghetto, life in the ghetto, everyone is suspect. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep on well, we go help you. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep on well, we go help you keep on. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto, everybody is suspect. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto, everyone is suspect. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep on well, we go help you. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep on well, we go help you keep on.
You, get up. Get up. Get up. Let's go. Move.
You can go.
Thank you, Mom.
My man just told me that your sister has viewed the messages sent to her, meaning that her phone is switched on. You will not call her.
Thank God. At least she's safe now.
Okay. You're such an amazing person. Instead of you to be thinking on how to get out of this place, you're concerned about criminals who locked you up here for 2 weeks.
With all due respect, ma. My sister, she's my responsibility. She's not a criminal, she's just stubborn.
Shut up! Shut down your mouth or... Have you seen the man she brutalized? That man is fighting for his dear life. Now, call her or you rot in jail. Put the phone on speaker. You see, your sister is not picking her calls. She has left you to rot in jail, straight to the prison.
No,
listen.
Ma, please. There should be an explanation. You know, she's not a bad person. I think the bad guys are holding her phone.
What explanation are you talking about? Your sister and her boyfriend Osas are criminals. The man they brutalized is suffering for his dear life. That man may not even survive if proper care is not taken.
Ma, please, my sister will not leave me here. Osas has a very big influence on her. Please, you have to help me. Have mercy on me, please.
Ekene, this is bigger than you. Officer.
Yes.
Take her away until the sister is caught and detained.
Ma, please don't do this. She's not leaving me. Please, Ma, please.
Calm down now. Go to relax.
Osas, you know the girl word. I don't teach me leave Zara matter alone. You know why here? This girl go land us for base and we go carry us into Kiri. You want to risk everything. Me, your road dog, smack down you Aruba.
Listen, understand everything where they can. But what are they yarn you na yaiti? Now that girl na my babe now. If I know help her, who wants stand for her now? Who else she get for anywhere? Not be only me she get.
Your babe. The same babe when not drag us at a different wahala. I want to ask you one question. If the table turn around, she go save you.
See, Osas, I know they understand you. You know the reason for us to be your guy. See that girl, she know what all these things they do now. She know what time. See that girl don't knife you before and she go knife you again, guy. You dey fuck up now.
Make I tell you something where you don't know. Make I yarn you the yaiti. The yaiti where you don't know. No be everything wey palm wine tap and see for up. Now in the talk when they come down. That girl where they see. He gets so many things where she don't do for me. He gets so many times where she don't stand for me. Why I no fit tell you? I know what they do, and what they tell on her too. Na yaiti.
Cinema. You not see me picking up get big teeth. So if I make you get big clipping, go take closer. As you go like this, you do on your own. You see me as small down. We don't feel follow you and kiri because of your love. Osas, think. Now round up with this. Police will expose us.
Osas! Jagaban dey right. Zaram go land into trouble. You dey hear me so?
Come on, Ochi, come your buka cavity before you answer now or bro now. What do you know? Eh? You will bend down the piece. What do you know? Ochi, come your buka cavity. I beg, come on your mouth for this matter. Make men then talk. This talk no be for woman. You dey hear me? You dey hear me?
Osas, this talk na for woman no. Zaram na my friend and I mean they tell you this matter now. The way where you dey suffer like this now, don't suffer like that before. Calm down.
I said, make you calm down. Come on, shut up. Make men they calm. You said follow the car. What the worry you said? You dey crazy.
Senior man, boss, I don't feel lose guard you. Based on who I be. Smart down. We deal with you. But I want to clear you something. Not be everybody when we dey in love with now suppose they carry our loyalty for.
Yes.
What do they talk, safe? What do they talk up and down for yourself? Bro, you the fuck up. You the fuck up. See, make the child listen to your guys now. I know they understand though. You see this matter, we got to lay low. We got to lay low. We go run now, but not be now. Make we lay low first now. Bros, this na Babylon oh. And you know what they write for book. Now you teach us now. If anything happen now, now fuck up, bros.
I don't hear what you wanna cap. I don't hear what you wanna cap.
Tomorrow cinema.
Boy, apply.
Move ahead. When you kick now, you know you have to make it mad.
Everybody is suspect here in the ghetto. Life in the ghetto. Everyone is suspect. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know keep on well, we could help you. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep.
Zaram, welcome to my house. As you can see, I live here all alone. My wife is late, and my only daughter is schooling overseas. You're welcome. Please make yourself comfortable. I have food. I have drink, whatever drink you desire.
Oga, pause and put and break. Wait first. Wait. No. Nobody carry me come here be this. Na serious business carry me come here be this. Oga, make we run now. I beg, as you dey like this, I don't get this time. I don't come here, come chop, or the more just go down to business. Oga, we are come to. Now here you want to be now upstairs. Where your bedroom? Where your room?
I wanted to take you upstairs so you can have a shower.
I don't want back, Oga. That one a long distance thing. I beg, if I'm gonna run out for here, that one 15. Na long matters. Oga, we are make run now. Come on, all these matters. I need me to put myself for police. What's the way for now?
I have always wanted you. I've tried severally to have you, but you keep on refusing me. How come you're now willing to give me your body just like that?
Okay, I don't want my sister sleep for that police cell again. I beg, make we just run this thing. Which style you like? Make I give you. I beg, come do this thing now. You know go. How many hours you want take? You just can't do this thing. Make the earlier the better. Okay, I beg. I go that they beg you. More run this thing sharp now. Ha. My turn back. Which one you want?
No.
You don't like this style?
I don't want to do this.
Why? What do you mean?
Please get up.
As how? Okay, I don't understand.
I can't do this.
Okay, I beg, no change your mind though. Okay, I beg. No change your mind. I beg, now only if you save my sister. Now God, I take beg you. Anything when you go for this life, I think I'll take beg you. I beg, no change your mind. My sister dey suffer because of me. She didn't say that because of me. Okay, I beg, just help me now. I beg.
I can't do this.
Okay, I beg now. Why you can't change your? You tell me say you fair won't do since. No, I don't carry myself. Won't give you free of charge. Just do. You know if you know, just my sister. You go take pay me. No ever give me anything again for this life. Now I'm gonna tell you beg you. No change your mind like this now. Okay, I beg now. I beg.
Move.
Ma, please, why am I here?
We are not afraid. You can go.
I don't understand. Please, Ma, do you have my sister now?
No. You are free. And your sister is free too. You can go now.
Ma, please tell me you found my sister, please.
I don't know the strength you pull, but the orders came from above. You can go now before you put me in trouble.
Alright. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Let's go.
Ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everybody is suspect. Here in the ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everyone is suspect. And if you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep on well. We go help you. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep on well. We go help you keep on. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everybody is suspect. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everyone is suspect. And if you know, keep your teeth. If you know, if you know.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's that for that selling? They won't kill me, all those girls. They slap me, beat me. I just control my temper. Ha! Thank you. I'm supposed to tell you thank you. Just not because of me, I make you there inside that place. On a normal, I'm supposed to do the sell. If I don't do it, everything I do, even for no you. So I'm supposed to talk, say thank you. So now still my duty, since I'm a person, my duty to come on you for this. So no reason I'm not ready to, my sister.
But I'm going to say you can't release me. If not, only God will tell for my eye for that set. Those girls, they are bone. You see the one grab, you get muscle. One kill meal. So I'm not go inside. Can go back.
Okay, Thank you.
This is ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everybody is suspect. Here in the ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everyone is suspect. And if you know, keep your teeth.
I would have sworn that I saw someone. Is it that Dede did not lock the door? Or someone came in here?
That's why you smile like that.
Zaram.
You try to release your face. As you smile now, you say you be like a better person.
Don't think why just they think. There isn't so many things. In fact, with I want you now, since make I tell you, since I did this life, I don't calculate, I don't flash back, flash front. I swear, now you be the best thing we don't happen to my life.
Osas, you have sweet mouth, your sweet mouth there. So you want just begin to whine me. With this my war face like this.
No go there.
You two get sweet mouth, Osas. Leave that thing.
You know what? Forget the scar. The scar self even beautiful for my eye. I know if you lie to you. With the idea you na I know if you lie to you. See, make I tell you something. Zarame, I love you from the depth of my heart. You know what's in the hungry me. In fact, don't be say waiting the hungry me, waiting go happen. The best moment where I go figure for this my small life. Now one morning like this, I just wake up. They look beside me, see you just they sleep beside me. For my mind, I carry say, now you go be the mother of my children. You're too sweet me.
So that's you just want the boss man like
too
this.
Sweet me, I swear.
Anyway, I know they tried to me self. I love you too.
My baby. I can't wait for we to leave all this our rough work. Enter better mansion. Enter better mansion.
So that's why you don't see mansion now you go forget me.
See, no, I don't near me for love. all these things where would they take for you and then they crack my throat.
Kele don't show. Kele don't match Kaban. But you see, Zaram, all the camera one mount for anywhere. Zaram no show now. She don't show. She don't fall out.
You still wait for Zara. The same game when they carry our life, they play. The same game we put up for all this base, all of us they go through for this hammer. Now you they wait for. Forget that game, you're not here.
Listen, if you are tired of my tactics, the door is wide open for you to leave. You dey hear me? If you don't get tired of my tactics, the door is open for you to leave. In as much as you are here, you must follow my lead. You dey hear me?
Sinoma, the same lead that lead us where we dey so. That same lead I put up all the base, all of us there for this town. Everybody don't run a task, everybody don't travel, come out for the area. Because of the lead. What did happen here now? So I don't speak my mind.
Oh! Doc, you the Chris? One make I blow you. One make I blow you.
Osas.
You the Chris? What did I worry you now? You know how many years I don't dare into this business before you enter. Let me recruit you. You the Chris? You want why me?
Osas, now your guy be this now. They calm down now.
Now length we do. I go lie to you, turn you to ashes, and nothing go happen. Mind the way you talk to me.
Osas, try to calm down. Relax, you're both to the hot. Sure?
Osas, this guy now your guy now. What's this up now?
No one, no shaking, no one.
What things are coming?
No shaking. You go be.
Go to the hot. Babe, try to calm down. More things are coming. Calm down. I'm here. Mercy is here. I know you guys are hungry, so I'm here.
Oh, your call. Oh, the child now.
Babe, relax. Your blood they hot. True?
I'm happy say you don't back. I've been back for hours. The fact is I don't understand anything. The police just let me go. I don't know, they just called me and said I should leave. I really don't know who made it happen. That one not dey important for now. Wetin dey important be say you dey free. Na only that one matter. Leave every other thing. No, it does matter a lot. 2 weeks in that cell, I felt like 2 years. I need to know the truth. Seriously. I be your sister, so I guys do what I guys do to make sure say you come out. Only it's when you're supposed to be that one, and only that one matter. So more live on like that.
No, you don't need to shut me up. Please. Did Osas know anything about this?
We feel leave Osas' name right now. I don't want to talk about that guy, I beg. More live and way in there.
So how did it happen? I need to know. How did it happen?
Okay.
Huh?
Hello? Huh? Are they here?
She wouldn't even say anything. What's all this? Didi, you promised me. You said you wouldn't leave me. Where are you, Didi? Why are you doing this to me? Didi, why? You said you would always stand by me. Why are you doing this to me? I'm just tired.
Just hold on, smoke. Hold on, smoke. Don't die on me. Don't go die like this, Osas. Osas, relax now. Now let me kill you. Now let me get right to kill you. Don't get me to go. Osas, I beg, don't do like this. Osas, hold yourself now. Osas, hold on. Don't leave me like this now. Osas, wait. Osas, no. Osas, no sleep. Osas, don't leave me like this. Osas, no.
Go. Just go.
No, Osas, I go rather die than to leave you like this.
It don't be already now. Just move. It don't be.
No worry.
It don't be.
Osas, calm down.
It don't
Save your
be.
strength small now. Don't do me like this now. Which can't see me this one now.
It don't be already.
Osas, don't do like this. Respect yourself. Don't do like this.
Salam, I need water.
No.
Salam, I need water.
Osas, you no go fit drink water. You know,
I need
drink water. I'm not like this.
Water.
Osas, relax.
If not the last thing way if you give me, just give me water.
Osas, now let me get right to kill you. Don't do like this.
Just give me water, I beg.
Osas, no now.
beg.
Osas, wait, no. Okay, make I go find person who will help us,
Salam, we know if we go down together. Just go.
Nobody they go down.
Just go.
We go go for this one. We don't.
Salam, just go. I beg. I beg. Just go. I say may you go.
Make I help you get up. Wait.
I beg.
Osas, make me hide for
I
someone.
beg. Just go.
No. Wait. So, just one place, make me name no small. We'll find person help you. No worry.
If you no keep your teeth, if you no keep am well, we go help you. If you no keep your teeth, if you no keep am well, we go help you keep am.
Wait. I know they in the mood for all this now. Wait now, sit down well first. Get with your one year you. Sit down well first, I beg. No, now. I know they in the mood for all these things now. Just sit down well. Maintain your steez. The army. Just maintain your steez. See, I want to ask you something. The way everything they go. The way everything just they go. For your mind, if they ask you, I they act well, like I they do well, based on Jagaban, Zaram, everything, like everything I did, I they see my reaction.
Wait though. Like, which they start they ask people for second option? Osas. See, Osas where I know, no they ask anybody anything. If they do wetin dey in mind. Now wetin come in mind, now they do. So I don't change you. Nothing remains. I don't change everything about you.
At times I go day. I don't think. I don't think so many times. They see and say, your problem no be even me. No be maybe your major problem. My mind they tell me say, na Zaram. The jealousy way they jealous Zaram, na be your problem. No be me. Yes, no be my welfare be your problem. Now the jealous way you get for Zaram, na be your problem. Now within my mind they tell me.
Yes. Jealous.
It's clear now.
It's clear. Jealous of Zara. Why? Me. See Osas, I beg, no talk that one. No talk I beg, no talk. Which can talk that one now? I'm jealous of Zara. Why? How? See, the only reason why I'm here is because 1, our goals. 2, our street life. Nothing else, not even you. But I'm jealous.
Huh? What you know say the yarn? As if say no the yarn. No the yarn. See, Zaram way to always the challenge, no be your mate. Zaram get mind. Zaram don't show walking so many times, no be by church or no be by pink gown and woman hair. Zaram na material. She gets so many potentials. But yeah, they yarn you na yaiti. She gets so many potentials. No be by church. She always they maintain her steez. You know who be Zara? Zara it is an ordinary name. Zara na household name. No be by church. Zara way the yarn so. Zara don't back me when I dey bleed. When they blow me short. When they knock me short, Zara back me. For long distance. You can't hear the talk rubbish. The yarn rubbish. This is Zara na your mate. Make I yarn you, but you come your buccal cavity, not the mad. In my next world, in my next world, I go still choose Zaran over and over again before you. You why me?
Osas. See, I know say Zara get mind. Everybody know. Me, I know that one. I know get my rich Zara. Yes, you win. But don't make I tell you one thing. Make I clear you. You see, man, no fit save your life if you no use your sense. So which one be Zara?
Okay.
Any matter wey concern Zara, you know they always use your brain. You dey use your heart.
Wait, mine no fit save me. So wetin go save me na pink gown and woman hair. And this big broom wey you carry for back, wey you think say na nyash. Abeg. Nyash no fit save man.
Even though.
Na mind dey save man.
I no go understand your sense.
Cinnamon, I greet you. Messi, how far?
I do.
Abeg, boss, I like to talk to you, abeg. Cinema. I say abeg, me universe. Based on my reaction today, I overassume. I sit down, I look my left, I look my right. See me, I'm not supposed to guard you. You're not senior man when sabi. I'm not supposed to dull you. Say I beg, no verse, I beg. I'd already take your lead, I beg.
Where you are today, I can't ask myself, say, whether your brain dey on vacation or meet and break, wetin can happen now? But I dey happy now, say, don't come back to your senses. I don't even call our plug to know whether they add something for the banner way they take. But the guy assure me, say, na normal banner you take. I can't ask, wetin can happen now? But it's good as you come back to your senses, meet them break, don't finish. Yes.
Sorry, Baba, no verse.
Yes.
I beg, I get some pressing concern.
Oh, yeah.
You know, say Zaram know our location. So, I refuse he go up. They better and more change our location. If he can go bust up, to be on the safer side, we just apply Dikeh editing. We stay on the low for now.
You make sense. Yes, you make sense. But the sense where you make na nonsense because you know Zara. Did you understand what they yarn you? Because what they want yarn you now na yarn it. They yarn me. Zara can never be a snitch. You don't know wetin that girl don run for me before. You understand?
Yeah, boss.
Zara go prefer to die than to betray us. You understand? That girl get mind die, na street girl to the core. Believe me, she no fit betray us. She get another thing wey worry you, tell me. But if na Zara matter, forget it.
I greet you, Baba. So that this thing won't get for hand, everything go do alright. It go flow. So that everybody go do alright.
The deal is done, don't worry yourself.
You're too much.
Let me dey in charge.
You're too much, Baba.
Mercy. Go room, go wait for me. They hear me.
Yes, where you? Move ahead. See no matter yarn.
Go room, go wait
Move
for
ahead
me.
now. About that woman,
Jealous Sarah. She don't know the sacrifice.
and she don't know if Jennifer fair person to any grave.
Lying on stage now. You know, lying on stage. My family members go to random. Family members go to random. They go pick cut you for her. Never know where she did.
I greet you, my senior man. I the be now.
Let's wait till in my home.
Tell you fresh out today, bread.
I don't know. I still don't know why Dede did not come to see me at the station. No calls, no visits. His phones were switched off. The only thing he sent to me was his voice note telling me that he has traveled to South Africa. Now I'm back. I can't even find him. I don't know if there's something you know about Zaram. Please tell me, because at this point I'm confused.
Kenny, I won't take know where your boyfriend is now. Me, I don't know anything. No.
I don't know. I cannot just get over Dede abandoning me in that cell. Like, why will he do such a thing to me? Saram, you're not looking surprised. Why? Like, is there something you need to tell me? Is there something you know about what's going on?
What I could surprise you? We don't do film. I don't know. You don't fair ask me. And I tell you, say I don't know. Why do you find what I want to talk? I don't know.
Sarah, seriously, being in that cell, being abandoned in that cell, made me realize how much we need each other. Sarah, I don't want us to keep fighting. Let's stop it. It's not good for us, please.
We didn't carry you come my side.
My brother, that waka will track up and down. I get the AP. But you know, before I go tell you anything, you give me small time.
That's what you talked the other time. I give you some rubbers. I'm not gonna see you again.
I don't know, you're not saying anything. Zaram, you're not saying anything. Is there something I need to know? Please tell me. Huh?
Kenny. No vex. I did sorry for everything when don't happen to you. And today, I won't make you this promise. I go try everything to make sure say me and you no quarrel or fight again.
Sarah, I'm happy to hear this. Thank you.
Hello? Who be that?
I don't know. Sarah, she didn't even say anything.
Osas, you be nyash, I swear. For 2 days, I call you, they pick your call. Then they walk you. No, they make me they run up and down. I even come here, I can't find you. I don't see you. Nobody see your brake lights. You see they talk. You they mad, I be like small picking.
What you are they yarn you? Na yaiti. Where I don't feel me say yarn you. As I don't tell you before, what you are they yarn you na yaiti. Me and the boys don't move on with the plans. One person no fit stop us now. Time no day. Aluta continua.
Osas, you whine me. Which kind of whining be this one now? Which kind of talk be that one?
Calm down. Me, Osas, avoid you. Wait till what happen now, will never happen before. You don't get anything will happen now, and will never happen before. Normally, as they can grab your sister, you're supposed to hide your face now. I tell you now, but you don't agree. But I just say Kelebe don't free your sister. You myself don't turn to free agent too. I be alive.
That one no concern you. Last, Baba God no go shame us. They talk and say, Nyash no get it, yet still they cut shit. You understand me so? But I don't want to go deep. What did they saw? I want to know the plan. I guess did that deal. Talk.
Listen. I don't feel you anything where no be it. Yes. Maybe to Chris be the problem. But at the trekking way they inside, now matter. Any dog we want loss. Any dog we want loss, you know they hear the whistle of the hunter. Zaram, I want to ask you again. Open your elephant umbrella. I want to ask you again. Now who bail you from a Kelebe hand? Or you don't go sell us? You don't sell us?
Osas, let me ask that kind of question. I tell you, say that one no concern you. They hear me so. Anytime I do my personal life, no concern you. Why you the tell me say I be like a rat? No. Since when I don't rat you out now, even if I want rat person, now you are go rat out give a Kelebe you Chris. Osas, I love you. That you want me to take. I don't want me to come again. I don't fit do that kind of thing. Guy, play me tape. What's the stuff? I got that next deal.
Boss, I beg no verse. You know so get hit to pull this night. No time. Just discharge and we'll move ahead.
Oh boy, put you come in your buka cavity. My family matter be this, I beg. Zaram, I will leave you for now. Until you tell me what I want here. Make you day your day, make I day my day for now. They hear me.
Oh yeah, wait. Your blood to the odds. Now our old man. The man won't make her be sugar baby. But no get them twisted. I never let them see my pants. So not only fear.
Zarama, I no still believe you. Yes. Great men for this life. Now woman nine by there. All them sons in there. All them abacha there. Now woman nine by there. So for now, day your day. Make I day my day. If everywhere clear, we feel align again. They hear me.
Osas.
I say make your pochi come in your buka cavity. No, they hear me.
Osas. Osas.
What did we discuss before?
Boss, like this, everything done set. I make you strike there, remain.
Time no dey wait for anybody.
Too much senior man. Who don't know you don't know yourself. You don't believe? I greet you, Baba. Your rest cannot go fail you, senior man.
See that? I don't hear with you. I better ready to go for now. Yeah, man, discuss. They hear me, so they go for now. Yeah, matter where we go for him before he enter. But you come in your book before the answer now or pray now. No, they hear with now they talk.
Oh, wahala now.
So what do we discuss before? Where we go, sir?
Yes.
Okay, no. You see they talk to that idiot, eh? That Mugo Sas, Abi? Now your way. You still have something to do with a guy that keeps putting this family into trouble, eh? What will be your problem now? You know they hear when they talk to you, you say
touch my phone. Which kind of nonsense with that one? And now you buy me phone.
Which one say me buy you phone?
I say they be like this, they bless your son, don't block me. They touch, no transit. I dey crazy. Don't touch my phone.
I don't want to see you with that kind of nonsense. I don't want to see you that they talk to you.
Shut up,
Don't talk to me. If you're serious that you respect me, then mad. Zaram.
Ibu wandema Zara, only you. And Ibu wande Hello Zabwanada Zara, only you. Away from Regi Baramo Zara, only you. Away comes the joggy Mara Zara, only you.
Obim, you haven't said anything to me since you returned. You abandoned me in the police cell and switched off your phone. Why?
Not everything is as it seems. I wouldn't have abandoned the love of my life.
So what happened, Daddy? Talk to me.
Kenna, sometimes a man will have to do what he has to do.
How do you mean?
I went to look for money to end our troubles, our problems, but I was caught up by the wolves.
Obim, it's okay. I actually thought you were... I thought you broke up with me because of my sister Zaram. But I want you to know that we have settled. We're no longer quarreling again. We're at peace with each other. Please, can you just come inside with me, please? Let's go home. Bikono. Oh.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of innermost beauty.
Didi, please, where are you? What have you done to yourself? Didi. Didi.
Your beauty is inside. I just wanna get inside. Give me a chance to enter. Anytime you call, I go answer. Cause you want more than a million to me, baby. are morning star. You have a good heart. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo. Baby, more and more. Baby, more and more. I love your jumbo.
Ha! Osas. I don't want to believe you cut me off like this. Don't let me say this guy end call for my ear.
Why now? Which kind to be this one? Why you go die in number with my phone? You know that the police is looking for him. I know they like this kind of nonsense, so. Eh?
No vex. Make we stop today fight. You don't reach, you don't do. See, I don't mean any disrespect to but you, because you don't know, so I mean you talk like this. I love the guy and I love him wella. So maybe they calm down.
Why you know what pick now? Pick your corner.
You know important.
See, wait, Zaram, wait. We need to talk. I best sit down.
My mood don't spoil.
Come now, me will talk. Sit down. You say if you want to do your body, sit down. Me will talk. There's something I want to discuss with you. I had a very terrible nightmare. I saw Didi. Didi came to meet me in my dream and he died.
Now be the important conversation. Chicken went come up for Bonu. Go Ibadan, go see end up inside soup. Don't they bother yourself.
I don't understand this thing. How do you mean? I don't understand what you
It's very simple now. That guy know what your time, you know what your tears. May you stop to distress your life. You guy know what time.
So now this kind of thing you come, you say they talk to me, say you know what's my time. I don't understand. Person tell you say see person for dreaming. You say you know what's my time.
As you be Joseph the dreamer, you go find interpreter follow him now.
Now the thing they make me tire about you. I just tire for this your character. Very nonsense character. You know they carry body, no problem. What kind of rubbish is this? Eh?
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of innermost beauty of us.
Mercy, you know say you na my girl. From day one, you don't dey hold down for me. Right now, if I talk to you like this, way, Osas when you talk to me again, be like saying you don't block me. I beg, babe. I love this guy, die. You know where I feel for see him. You dey crazy. I would rather cry than to forget about Osas. What's they worry you?
Please, I want you to stay out of trouble. Stay away from trouble. I'm not comfortable with all this your rascality in this village. We don't have parents. We have suffered enough. Avoid trouble. I beg. I beg you.
I don't hear.
No be say you don't hear, oh. No be that one they talk so. You have to stay away from trouble.
I promise. I'm not going to enter trouble ever again.
We don't have parents. We have suffered enough. Avoid trouble. I beg.
Hey, no vex, so. I know sir, I suppose hold this one down for you, but you see this one? No. I just do my mind. But sir's not going to leave me for another banning. I ain't even mad. You know, go try.
Madam Joy, thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. It almost ruined my traditional marriage. But God made it in another way. Anyway, it's not your fault. Because I come here say they lock you for police station. But they come sweet me where? When I hear say they don't bring you out from say.
Madam Joy, thank you. You're such a good friend.
You too, you're a better person. You too, a better friend. Eh? Just that. I know that's your useless sister.
Hey, Madam Joy, stop it. Now. Don't call my sister useless. Look, no offense. But I just realized that words are very powerful. I know I've been harsh on her, but please, no, they call my sister useless. Sister, I don't like her at all.
I mean, you know best for me, yeah? I agree with you. I agree with you. But I believe so one day she go change. It's your cool. She go change. She could become that better girl where you won't make her best she be now. How about your boyfriend, Dede?
My dear. Now, long story. Dede ran away. He left me. He said he was going to South Africa for a contract before the incident of my being locked up in the police cell. Can you imagine?
Men can never be trusted
at all.
Now your boyfriend, they do fine boy, they do this all like I love it.
It didn't tire me. It didn't just tire me. I don't just understand. See.
When you go shall I give another?
Zara. Let's just go into another trouble. Zara!
This your sister said. No, this your sister.
Zaram!
Ekene! Wow. Ekene! Don't tell me something to sister yet.
Saram. Saram. Why are you crying? What is it? Talk to me.
I just see Osas for hotel with Mercy for inside room. Two of them they crash. Osas don't break up with me. Osas don't break up with me.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Everything will be alright. Go of Osas. Who is Osas? That's Akpala. We don't get straight. I bet leave Osasi. Forget him. Don't worry, you will meet better people. You're a beautiful girl now. You will meet a very handsome man that will come and, come for you. Don't cry again. Are you fine? Are you be fine, girl? It's okay. You make me cry. I don't like this kind of thing. Don't. Everything will be alright. It's okay. You make me cry now. It's okay.
Why you smile muke like that?
Saram.
You try to release your face. As you smile now, you say you be like a better person.
Don't tell why just they think. There isn't so many things. In fact, with I want you now, since make I tell you, since I did this life, I don't calculate, I don't flash back, flash front. I swear, now you be the best thing we don't happen to my life.
Osas, you have sweet mouth there. So you want just begin to whine me. With this my wawa face, that be the best thing.
Come on for there.
I bet you respect yourself.
You know what? Forget the scar. The scar self even beautiful for my eye. I know if you lie to you now. What the day you na ya? I don't feel like to you. See, make I tell you something. Zarame, I love you from the depth of my heart. You know what's in the hungry me? In fact, nobody say what's in the hungry me, what's go happen. The best moment where I go figure for this my small life. Now one morning like this, I just wake up. They look beside me, see you just they sleep beside me. For my mind, I carry say, now you could be the mother of my children. Hey, Yami.
I'm the sweet chat.
Yes.
I love you too now.
My baby. I can't wait for we to leave all this our rough work. Enter better mansion. Enter better mansion.
Because that's why you don't see mansion now you go forget me.
See, no, I don't near me for love. all these things where would they take for you and they crack me.
Zara. Good morning, my sweet sister. Hope you slept well. You hate to look at this picture. I just try to accept my faith. They try to accept myself the way I did. I hope you'll be fine. I did fine. Osas, tell me say my face war. Say he no fit marry me because of this mark when dey my face. But I know say he dey lie. The only reason when he dey cap nonsense be say he dey double date. When he dey date me, he get mind. See they date Mercy. Don't do. Just calm down, eh? Don't let that one bother you. Look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for this scar. I'm sorry for blaming you about Papa's death. Please forgive me. I know say me I did wrong. I beg, forgive me. No problem. But they pay me be say Osas lie to me. He tell me say he go always stand by me. But now I know say he dey lie because he no love me. He never ever loved me. But the painful thing be say he get mind, they sleep with me, they enjoy my body. The only reason why he make me even deal with her in the first place say I think say he go marry me, come on me for this place, separate me from you because I be no one day close to you again. You don't do. But now I know better. Look, you don't need to worry. Everything could be alright. Thank you. Thank you for everything you did do for me. Thank you for how you did good to me, even when I did cause plenty kasala for you. You still stand by me. Thank you. But it's okay. Who am I to judge you? What I won't do? You know, say I just been there happy. I was so happy when you broke up with Osas. But see now, see what thing they happen between me and Dede. Dede promised me unending love. See now, what happen? Come. Why be say if I mention Dede name, you go do your face like this? Is there something you want me to know? Is there something you're hiding from me? Tell me. Saram, please. See, I don't know if there's anything you know, just tell me because at this point I'm confused. I don't even know if Dede has broken up with me. I don't even know if he's in trouble where he is. I don't know. Just talk to me. Tell me. You remember the dream I told you about? I just get confused. Talk to me.
Hello? Hello? Don't worry, don't worry, eh? Don't worry. I will be in South Africa soon. Yeah, don't worry, soon, eh? Soon, you see.
Ah! Prince don't blow, Faonyas don't show. I talked him before. You be fake. Original fake.
Zaram.
Kenem.
Please don't blow her, I don't understand.
But you dey fight for inside Sokoto.
Who be fake?
No dey for Sokoto.
I don't understand.
You be original fake. I hear him. You get girlfriend for South Africa. This is deaf. I hear.
South Africa. I don't know.
I go open my mouth too. Make I go.
South. You hear anything, South?
Okay.
Zaram, come. Zaram, no be say I be bad person.
See me be bad person.
You know I love your sister. But because of our condition, I just want to travel to South Africa. This girl promised me, say, you go make me millionaire. Yeah, so I just need to go there, make money, come back and marry your sister.
After I don't chop my stuff, you won't go chop another one. You won't chop two things at the same time.
Money matter.
Guy, you be fake. You be fake. Original fake.
Zaram, I beg. No tell your sister. If you tell her, the thing will break her heart and it will hurt me too. Please. I beg you. I beg. Zaram, I beg. No.
So you hid this secret from me. Why?
Because I be want to do you back. Because say you hate my relationship. But like I tell you before, I don't know better now. And I did sorry. No vex. I know I'm not supposed to do one. No vex. No vex, I did sorry. Take heart. Forget Dede. He know what time.
I don't know, I just stay confused. I don't know.
We go there.
Zara, only you and you one hello Zara, only you.
What's it doing?
Away from Zara,
I'm taking Dede off my mind.
That one good though. I mean, that guy. Now good riddance to bad rubbish. Since you don't make up your mind to come out time, better for you. Anyway, no go to me come be that. I just make a come tell you say I want to help you.
Zara, thank you, but this is personal to me.
Ha! What you concern me with overload? What are they talk? They different. You talk another one. Anyway, I won't come to help you the sew. I want to help you sew clothes.
You won't help me sew.
I still remember how to sew now.
Zara, I'm not ready for that right now. I am not sewing for now. Please.
I know same material plenty when you never sew. So not gonna form this thing. Make I help you. I still remember how to sew. I be the first I go spoil am.
Oh Zara, my mind no just did there at all. That's not what's bothering me right now. You know, Dede was part of me, so Zara, I beg, I don't take good mood right now. Please.
No matter what, you are still my sister.
I know say sometimes I know too easy to live with, but you guys understand, that's how life be. Some people go enter your life, some people go come out, some people go stay. But sisterhood now forever. Anyway, I don't want to preacher man. One thing I want to tell you be say, you know customers, they misbehave well. They fit change them for you at any time. If you don't give them their clothes now, you want to enter Kelebe matter. I know statistics be so. I never forget how to sew. And besides, you go there to guide me. Any time when you want, I go help you run now. So calm down. Come on your mind from that guy when you know deserve you. Leave that guy. Make we run am. Make we run the clothes matter.
So you won't help me like this, so?
Don't make me come now. Don't ever talk anything I don't do.
That's good news. Thank you. Oh. Listen, that same person I've been calling you. Why you no one picking call? You just a rejecting call. Why? I've been at your new love interest. Tell me mad you know now.
You too like gossip.
Show me sad to like gossip.
Too like I'm a butterfly. Say be the cry now, your eye don't they shine.
I beg Zarama, no just dey mood. No dey spoil my mood now.
Hey, they cool down. Later you go say that my blood they hot. Me and you hot pass.
Leave my room. Just
but I say if they busy now, my help you scrape am.
Come out from my room, I beg. Just leave. I'm not in a good mood.
Oh well, it's good to see that you both are doing just fine. Zaram, why have you been rejecting my calls?
Sir, please, I want to plead on my sister's behalf. Forgive her. You know, because of the scar on her face, she tends to avoid people most times. Please.
Thank you. You have spoken well. But honestly, I do take exception to being referred to as people by Zaram. I'm not just people to her. Of course, I know about the scar. Yet, it doesn't stop me from being attached to her.
Sir, please, I want to ask, how do you know my sister?
Zara, why didn't you tell me you were behind while I was set free from the police station? Huh? Because I go meet the man for help. And he tell me say he no go fit help unless he sleep with me. Eh? You say waiting. Wait till you talk. Can you imagine? This kind man, I be the kind man when go take advantage of girls. Yes, he will just take advantage of young girls and sleep with them, just like that. It's obvious now. No talk that kind of thing. You know no, no judge him. That man a good man. He no be bad person. He no be bad person, so you dey protect him because you don't fall in love with him. Abi? What do they do? No, you fall in love with him now. Which kind of talk be that one now? What they bring this kind of talk come now? What be this one? You don't even see anybody join me. We're gonna join me with old man. Which kind of rubbish thing be this one now? Don't try and understand, but I don't like that kind of thing, no. Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth! If you talk, I don't slap you back that craze. Now give you back, you don't know him. Don't talk anything about him. Not talking at the talk, but shut up your mouth. I'll give you back at the craze. You're there pretending up and down. You're just there. Obviously you slept with him. Because if you didn't sleep with him, you won't be talking like this. What's your problem? I've taught you about decency, but you cannot comport yourself. You're like, you're not going to stay one place. Kene. Which one? You cannot come and I will tell you this thing one time and I no go repeat it another time. You see that man? Na better person. Me, Zaram, enter that man's bedroom, pull my clothes and naked. That man no put one finger for my body. If you like, you believe him. You like, you no believe him. But no talk nonsense about that man because you no be bad person.
Serious.
Kene, you too the vex now. You suppose you control your temper. I know say now your younger sister, but control yourself. She don't sleep with the man. Now wow. Waiting. Sorry, I know I messed up. Forgive me, please. I know they vex for you. My problem be say you too dey fast. You too dey impatient. Wait first, I never finish. I still get talk for mouth. Another thing when they vex me be say you too dey quit a judge person. You go let me talk, abi no go let me talk. Why they come out word from my mouth now? Now you talk say when person they talk, you go let her land, you know come out word for the person mouth. So I won't talk everything in my mind, so everything they vex me. I want to talk since you want, I be no one hear her. So let me talk finish. My talk everything they vex me. Anyway, then talk am say the best mirror na person best friend. Now you even tell me that thing say because I don't know whether na true or not lie. That one no concern me. But apart from this mark on my face so and my bad character, me and you na bestie. And as family one day we look out for each other. But this your difficult attitude na big problem to our peaceful family one we try build. I agree you be my big sister and I respect you as my big sister. But you self they do plenty things. You they make mistake plenty times. Nobody they judge you. But that's when you do so. They judge me amount you don't know before. Why you do like that now? You just hang me. You don't judge me. Only you don't arrest me. Only you don't put me for SSC. You even kill me join now. What did they happen? You don't do now. You know say this my.
I don't like ammo.
I dey try control my anger. I beg. I dey protect you, my sister. No want me anything happen to you. I beg. Forgive me.
I be small pikin. You dey follow me go everywhere when I dey go.
You not be my smallie.
So because of that now, anything you begin to judge person, you're not day faster than your shadow. You said they calm down. They drink your water, cope your water, maybe they cheat this your anger issues.
You don't do. You might help you sweep.
Why you go help me sweep?
Sweep.
How come you talk small?
You don't do now.
Don't respect yourself.
Vex now. No vex. Zaram, the vessel, the para.
Let me sweep it.
Sweep now. Sweep. They sweep. They go. I want for you. How they sweep? They go now.
Protector. I bet they go.
Yeah, they go now.
They go now.
They supposed to forgive you.
I said I'll forgive you. See you want again. They go.
My sister, I stubborn.
Protector.
Ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everybody is suspect. Here in the ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everyone is suspect. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep on well. We go help you. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep on well. We go help you keep on. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everybody is suspect. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everyone is suspect. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep on well. We go help you. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep on well. We go help you keep on. No gentleman, now what's on be this? Hold on, one day. On your lalo kula boya. Hold on, one day.
Hey, wait. What did I do like this? So?
Hey. Hello, pumpkin. You're awake. Beautiful.
Go try for your life. Don't call me that kind of thing next time. Which kind of talk be that one now?
Hey, slow down. We had a very sweet night, okay?
So you see this face? You see this face? I will only talk this thing once. If you ever near me again for your full life, I swear to Almighty God will create me and put this word thing for my face. I will kill you. But if I kill you, I'll fair accuse you so you won't molest me. Idiot. Come on.
What's the rush? Come.
Come on, touch me again. So do this.
Only you. And you be one day. Hello, Zara, only you. Away from Reggie, Baramo. Zara, only you. Away comes the joggy,
Where did this girl sleep last night now? Eh? Saram. Where she go enter? She can't one at this one. Eh? Hey. There is joy in my heart. It is flowing like a Zaram. Zaram, you didn't pick my call. I waited for you all night. Please, can you just talk to me? Look, I'm not here to judge you. I just want to make sure that you are fine, you're okay. Please, talk to me. Look, whatever it is, just let it out. We're in this together, please. Calm down. Please, just calm down. Calm down. What's happening now?
You never hear the news?
Which news?
You didn't hear they hug your sister. Osas and a gang, police don't neutralize all of them. How they talk to you now, so all of them don't dakba.
Zaram. Ha. I know you love Osas so much. Please, I know you love him, but you just have to bear this pain.
I know they cry because of Osas.
Zaram. Waiting now.
You do what you and this your sister. I they tell you the latest way they happen
sit down.
For the Ghetto. They told me say what's happen. At least this one now, sorry. Let's go feed they sleep. They
the way they hit me self now, wow.
Sorry, no face. We feed they drink water, they drop cup now. As police will come now, don't carry Osas and all those useless gang them come up for area. It better now. At least person go feel breathe, sleep well.
I don't hear you.
No better thing now.
No better thing.
No better thing.
Wow! Come in. What a pleasant surprise. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Well done, sir.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, please sit down.
Thank you. Hey, God. Thank you, sir.
It's okay. Please, what do I offer you, ladies? I have everything. I have champagne. I have wine. What do you want?
Sir, I actually came to thank you. Zara, my sister, told me that you're the one that helped set me free from the police cell. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you,
please,
sir.
Please don't do this. Don't do this.
God, I don't know how to thank you, sir.
Kene, please sit down.
Okay.
Listen, I care for Zaram so strongly, and because of that, I am willing to do anything I can to help. Okay?
Thank you. I know Vesa know they pick your call. See, God bless her, they avoid your call. You know intentional. The thing be say, me and my sister can't they get plenty fights. And I can't begin feel guilty. Now I make no vex.
But no one can blame you for doing the necessary thing to save your sister, to protect your sister. And that's one key attribute of yours I admire so much. You love.
Yes, we get them. We understand now. See, Billionaire, they praise me. Don't be small. See us. Don't be smart.
Another key point of yours I admire, your sense of humor.
Wow.
Now, ladies, I would love you to do me a favor, that's if you would mind.
Ask anything, Dikeh. Dikeh, ask now.
Okay, it's this simple. I would love us to go to the market, get some food stuff, and let you make me a pot of soup. Please do not be in a hurry to go. Don't say no. I will pay anyhow.
Oh no, sir. I have a client to. I have clients to attend to. I want to drop clothes for them now. So, which one be Kenny now?
No.
I don't understand you.
They talk and say one good turn deserve another. Now this man I help you when you come up for sale. If you still dey say for the top clients matter. If na pot of soup you can't take pay and back, that one don't mean anything. Yes.
So make I not attend to my clients.
Which client? Those your client when no get sense.
And if you even say the thing cast, this man get the money to take pay all those your stupid client no get brain.
Oh, no, let me
forget my hand to your face.
Those your customer no get
behave yourself. They no get be your senior sister.
Now me talk. Put water for my talk.
See.
They carry senior star go back go dey collect money. See the worry this one self.
No, that is how we play. That's how we play.
Okay. Yeah. From Zaram's words and the look on your face, I take it.
Nah, yes.
That is a yes. Good. All right, ladies, I will just go in there, change into something a bit more casual, so I can drive you to the market, we buy things, and we come back ready to cook.
Hey, Oga, abeg, wait first. You say you won't come out. I think you say you dey come out as we dey come in.
Okay.
You said you were going out now, so let's go out together now. Understand?
Kene, you see, I was actually on my way out before you came. But how would I still want to go out when these two lovely ladies, the lady that I'm so much engrossed in, while you're here, why would I want to go out again?
Okay, if you go change.
And I'll join you both in the kitchen while you cook. I miss it. Sorry, I'm right there.
Wait till you say you dey do. No, wait till you say you dey do.
For leave you for
you just meet man, you won't cook for him. He don't marry you. He don't marry you.
Make you know I like
you won't go dey cook.
My daughter, you need to listen to me. Running away won't fix anything. Huh? Yes, I know. I failed you, but I'm sorry. Flourish. Hatred and unforgiveness has done more harm than good to this family. Why do you keep letting it tear us apart? Huh? Listen, my baby. You just have to come home. That's all I am asking. Come back home and see your father. I trust your judgment, but please come back home. Have you ladies been eavesdropping on my call?
Hey, Dikeh, why go dey eavesdrop? I just say make I play come check on my love. You know now.
That's okay.
See, I'm going. I no tell you. I tell you say he na better person. He no get mistress for anywhere. Now breeze don't blow, fire on don't show. You don't see her now so. See, Dikeh, she tell me for inside kitchen that one you run come out with your friend. Because do they do? Because I will still tell her wait first. Because tell me say you get another woman for your life. Now go tell her make we she can't run come outside, come they peep, come they look you. I can't follow her come outside. But I know say you need better person, you get another woman.
You see, I lost my wife to the cold hands of death years ago. And the only daughter, the only child we both shared, Flourish, has kept malice with me since then. I have missed the love, the joy of getting into the kitchen as a family. And this is something you both have brought to me, that family bonding, that familyhood. And I want to make the best, the most out of it. That is what I want.
My soup different. I go check her. Let's say don't the box.
Okay, yes, ma'am. I think I will spend that was Zara. Please try not to be too harsh on your sister. I'm sure she's only trying to protect you.
What if you say I be a monster? Dikeh, you go follow me go kitchen, she go soon burn this house down. I don't get money.
I'd love to.
Nobody will do collateral.
Come on, wait for me! Wait!
Azaram, it doesn't feel proper. You shouldn't be throwing yourself at him. It don't make sense. Eh? Kenny, what you know realize be say, this your controlling attitude. When they make you feel like say you be God, they make it hard for everybody to stay around you. Oh, you don't know? As you know, make I tell you. I don't understand. What you know, do you understand? Let me talk finish you to the hurry. Even though say I don't like they do for everything he do for you, but he tell me say 2 things make her run come up for where you did. Make her just open up today. He talk say first one be say he won't come out, go make money, make him come back, come marry you. But second one, when blessing is strong with your bonge one be say you two they control her and it thing don't tire him. He can't run come out. No vex say I just talk like that too. No. I'm not angry. It's just that I'm scared. Remember the dream I told you about Dede's death? That he was killed. I don't know if he's in trouble or he needs help. I'm just confused. That be your problem, so you always dey confused. Unconfuse yourself. Let everything don't happen for past. Make it stay for past. No, they bring past come present. I better leave this talk. I don't tell you this man won't come more chop.
Oh.
Okay.
So far it sounds already. I'm so sorry I wasn't part of the cooking. My only daughter who is away in the States and has been keeping malice with me for so many years just called.
Hey, yeah.
Yes, and I believe it's the good spirit in both of you that reached out to her. Wow. This vegetable soup is simply amazing. You ladies have finally outdone yourselves. Oh, Kene.
Sir. Excuse me, sir, just a moment, please. Kene. Dikeh, don't worry, eh? Yeah, she did get a traumatic experience. Her boyfriend leave her on go Saudi. You know how they be now.
Oh, shy. Oh well, I do hope he does come back for her because Kene has a very good personality. She's indeed a good young woman.
Yes, my sister is a good woman, but make him no come back. Me, I no go fit use this thing to chop am. I won't wash my hand.
Go ahead, but you need to learn how to use the cutleries. There's a sink.
Okay, thank you.
Well, ladies, I don't often speak about this, but the reason I care for Zaram too much is because she reminds me of my late wife, Ada. Yes, Ada was quite a remarkable woman. She was cheerful, very caring, very friendly, but she fiercely protected her family. Yes, Zaram, you have that same spirit. that same attribute. You love with your whole heart, and you fight for whatever you believe in. That is spectacular. That is unique. That is a wonderful attribute in a woman.
Hello? Excuse me.
Kene?
Yes, sir.
Back there at the dining, your expression wasn't gay at all. And your sister did make mention of your boyfriend, the one who traveled to South Africa.
Hello, Zaram baby. It's me, Ejo. Do you remember me? I have been dying to hear your voice.
If you tell me you saved my number, safe. I take you take collect my number. You take crazy.
You gave me your number when we met that night. You know, we had one night fling, and you probably don't remember, but listen, Zaram, I don't want to upset you. I don't want you to get angry with me, please. I need you to understand. I love you. You're so special to me.
You know they speak English again. Which one be respect? Which one be care? You dey mad? Guy, you don't know me. I will warn you straight. Respect your full life. In fact, no, if you take calls on my guy, I swear to God, I will kill your full generation. I will burn you natural. I will say poto. Idiot, no calls on my game. I will block you.
What? What's the meaning of this? Why would she block me now? Cat more like a sweet shot.
I love Zaram so much because she's a good-spirited person. Kene, I have a convention that I'm billed to attend in Europe very shortly. And I'm required to turn up there as a couple. Now, since my wife is late, and I've tried out single girls in this area, I can't find anyone who meets up my criteria, for appearing with me as a couple. Zaram does. Yes, I know Zaram is very stubborn, but she's not a bad person. I've looked closely at her. She's not a bad person. So I would love to take her out so I can transform her personality. That's if only she will accept to travel with me.
I dey interested, my love. I get interest for that when you just talk. My answer na very big capital yes. Yes now, who know like better thing? Abi talk na don dey exchange emotion and number. I mean, I calm down, I just dey talk. See, I trust this my sister with my life. She no fit try rubbish. I know what she fit do now. I bet when we dey go, I don ready.
It's a done deal.
Thank you so much. See me for Bodo you go.
Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. I'm happy being this close to both of you. Very happy.
Hey, I don't ja.
Zara, only you. Anyebu wanda, hello Zagwananda. Zara, only you. Away from Reggie.
Yeah, hello? What? His South African girlfriend killed him, right? What?
So what about his body? His mother would like to see it.
Don't miss her too much. She will come back. See, you know better say he even jackpot with that old man. Instead of you they, one day they cry. You know better to know that this ghetto. What you say go they follow these small boys, they do one or two. No worry. She could come back. Let me make you they cry like this. Don't cry yet. Do yourself. Don't cry. She will come.
It's about Dede.
What about Dede?
I just got a bad news. He's dead.
Oh my God.
Look at this. Look at this. I'm finished. Oh God.
Jesus. What is this? Oh my God.
God, why is this Dede? I'm finished.
This is not fair. This is not nice at all. Jesus. Please. I know it's very painful, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Kene. Please, I'm sorry.
Dede, please, Dede, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for doubting your love. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Dede, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Dede, you actually got this place for us.
Yes, I did. And I hope you like my sense of the beddings, the bedsheet, the settings. Though I will still put other things on the wall, at least to beautify it more.
Yes, I love it.
Thank you. Can I? Did you remember the first time I met you? You were multitasking, doing two things at a time, helping Zaram and helping the other man down the street with his vegetable store.
Yes, I remember. But you thought I was crazy, taking on so much.
No. I thought you were the most strongest and selfless woman I have ever met. Then I realized you deserve something better.
Didi, I think you have to stop. You don't have to keep doing things on your own.
I want to. Kenneth, I want to be that man that will do everything you've ever dreamed of.
I'm sorry, Dede, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. God, what is this? I'm sorry. Dede, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. I'm sorry. Hello, Zaram. Dede is dead. No, Zaram. Dede was killed by his business partner. Dede is innocent and I blamed him. I don't know what to do, Zaram. You need to come. I cannot bear this pain all alone. Please, you just have to come. I'm finished. Dede, why? Dede, I'm sorry. Dede, I'm sorry for doubting our love. Dede, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive me.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of innermost beauty of us. Yeah. I love your chapel. I love you.
Wait, stop it.
Wait, what's going on? What is Philmond? Thief! Bring my bag! Bring my bag, thief! Thief! My phone, my ATM, my bag, my slippers. Thief!
Now. Joy. They don't thief my phone and my ATM card. I don't feel rich Zaram. She don't travel go abroad with Dr. Jaja. She feel they misbehave with that man. I don't know. I just they worried. I just they confused.
Sometimes person need to separate, stay alone to take grow. Even your parents not leave you, but see how you did now, you do okay. Now this same issue now you get with your sister be this.
Zaram na my responsibility. I need to protect her. Which kind of talk you talk? I don't understand what you talk. Seriously.
Anyway, I understand, but Leave her. She go do okay. She go do okay. She'll be fine. You self, you too cry too much. She go do okay. She'll be fine.
I'm tired. I don't know what to do. Did just
Kenny? Kenny? You know what? Okay. And just relax, Make I find out. I sure say she dey somewhere around.
Who is that?
Oh my God. Kenny?
What did you do for
my Kenny? Kenny, what did they worry you? How you go say you don't know me? If you don't know my face, you don't know my voice. Now me, Zaram.
Zaram? What happened? Wow. Zaram, this is a dream. I can't believe my eyes. Huh? Zaram, what are you fine?
Kenny? Kenny, what be this? What do you do yourself like this? You dey talk thank God, thank God, thank God. Yes, God don't butter our bread. He used Dr. Jaja here, take butter our bread. After the couples conference, when he carry me go for jam, he can't help me. We can't do face surgery. Can't make my face fine. Thinking if I come here, we go dey happy, everything go dey well. Only for me to come now, come meet you like this. Can you see they worry you? On a normal Nazaran be this, not be Kene. What be this one?
You? Thank you, sir.
It's okay, Kenny.
God bless you, sir.
Thank you. Why you dey do me like this? Kenny, why you dey do like this? I don't be this.
I do okay.
Yes, I am.
Kenny, now you be this.
Don't worry.
Not me now.
Well, I want you to know that from the very first moment I met your sister, I saw beyond the scarred face. Let's pass it down well.
Kenny, what you do yourself like this? You know what's in there? Make I just come out you for here. Make we come out here. You know if we stay here. This place. Make we just come out here.
Where will they go?
We go somewhere.
No, I know they come out for this. I know they come out for this. No, for waiting now.
I don't say no one come out here because of the Kenny. But see your life. This one na me. Na me sit down here, no be you, Kenny. Wetin be this one now? Why they do like this? Dikeh, help me make we bath and go come out for this place.
Help me, just pick up your feet. Let's put her in. Pick up your feet.
Oh, I want to go on now. Okay. Sure, say I dey normal so. Okay. You come on, go away. This side or this side?
This way.
See, I'm fine. I don't hear what now. I'm fine.
Oh, style! Be model. Correct model.
Oh, God. Stay where I can snap you. But which can stay down one?
I'm model.
No. Okay, stay well. Come back. Don't come do like this.
Okay.
Get the way I take you on inside internet.
Okay.
Do your hair come on like this. This one fire. Oh yeah, go change. Go change. Go change your phone. Hi. I post one like this, internet don't blow, it don't scatter, it don't lock. Don't say Kenny Azaram to arrive. Finally. Hey Chris, who born your papa? They do another style now. Do another style. No. You will be fashion designer. You do like this. Okay. So you come, you do. No. See now, man's post. Okay. See, you come do like this. Fold your hand. You come look. Okay. You come smile. Okay.
So
yeah. Stay. No, nah. Relax your shoulder. You do like this. So. No, relax your shoulder. Okay. Yes. See this one. Sweet girl. Sweet girl. Tell me thank you. Thank you. Now you do. I mean, you fine. You dey see picture. How they look? See pictures. See pictures. That's what you do.
This photo, Vows I can show you.
The thing don't shift. I can't wine abi.
Oh, now finish. Small. Yeah, hold now. No, I see the pack. Carry and go drive.
Yeah, it gets us. I don't see when they match this place.
Yes.
I can't match them.
Carry and go drive.
Right. Okay, for here.
Yes. Oh yeah, small. Can you do like this? Oh yeah, turn your hand come like this. Oh yeah, don't. Oh yeah, small. Can you wait? Now small now.
Okay.
Oh yeah, put up a pack. Carry your seat belt, wear am. Chook seat belts. What's with this one now? Now, how many times I go show you this thing now?
Sorry. Novice.
Turn your hand on this side. You don't do. Okay. If I say small, you go touch her once, rest.
Okay. I don't have touched it.
Wait, make this man pass first before you go jump and speak in your cause make you call pay.
Mama, they go small.
I put oil for mouth they talk. Wait, 30. Wait, make this man pass first. Don't get money. Oh yeah, they go. Small. No, leave your hand steady. Wait. They go.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Turn her again. Okay. Come this.
Like this.
Don't do not to carry and go side. Can it small? What you do like this? Don't carry your hand go side like that.
Okay.
She won't go side. If you reach also you won't go side. You go put traffic gate on now.
Okay. Where do you traffic gate?
Na me no finish school. Na me see the teach you. They go small. Now that place you go do. If you go just twist am, but we never reach. They go first. Can it? Oh yeah, don't do. Can I stop? Nobody. Thank you. You don't do another day. You go continue. You don't do corner. Oh yeah, put her for pack. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, corner. You find you walking. Come sit down here.
You got to move.
You know they move. Corner.
Okay, no they move.
Oh yeah, come this side.
Now I want to do one again. If you like, no pull eye. Make you see. Take it one. No go spoil the dog. Okay.
Zaram, I'm sorry you find me in a drunken state.
You don't see him again now. Now the problem that they get with you be this. You won't maybe say, they also say, oh, you too perfect, you too correct. Even Abraham for Bible says no perfect. Not because they make crayfish bend. See, the condition when you dey, now make you drink. So I don't say anything when they wrong with what you do. But you guys understand, say, when things like this happen, they make people misbehave sometimes.
You don't go understand. You don't understand at all. Look, I keep thinking about Dede.
Seriously, and I don't know why you hate him even after death. What did he do to you? I told you he's innocent.
She can't go with that one, Kenny.
Who? Dede. No go there. You see that one? That criminal. It no fit happen. Dede no. Talk more of sense. Two of them no join.
I don't understand, Zaram. What do you even have against my boyfriend? What do you have against Dede? What's your problem? I don't ask you severally, but you don't give me better answer.
And severally, I don't tell you when you ask me. I tell you, say, I don't give you answer.
What do you want me to talk again?
You give me answer, but the answer when you give me, come like say the guy na bad guy. I'm not the bad guy. What's your problem? Oh. Have you too often get affair? Is there something you're not telling me? I don't understand.
They walk. They walk. Which kind of talk with that one? See, I go forgive because I know so you depressed. Now depressed, they make you they talk all this rubbish, you they talk so I go just leave you, make that one just go. But next time, no cost me like that on top of my ass. No try. Which kind of talk with that this one now? You know they open my, they weave, they go. See, I understand. Say maybe if they pay you say one thing happen. But more you leave and there. Leave everything don't happen for back. Make it day back. This one are present and we see they go future. So just concentrate for this one. May you leave all those stuff. Leave dead body, may bury dead body.
Dede can never be dead to me. He can never be dead to me, I beg. What will be your problem?
Okay. So you don't date dead man. Yes now, he can never be dead to you. He can never be dead to you. God they married the dead man now, since you don't want rest. What if you this one? God don't change our life. God don't bless us. See how they drink. You see me drink before? You carry straight away. You know how much. You know how much doctor buy this hair. They just say your man just the sharp. They see they blow you pack leg for this thing. They do. No, respect yourself. I'm like to talk sometimes.
You talk about moving on. You've been talking about moving on.
I know Dr. Jaja loves you so much and he wants to get married to you. Do you want to marry Dr. Jaja? Did they walk you? I go marry old man. Which kind of talk with that one? I can't marry 1 minute man. I mean, put respect for my body. Which kind of nonsense with that one? Zaram, I don't just understand you. This man loves you so much. He sees everything. Is it because he is tolerating your stupid and rubbish character? What's your problem? Person love you, you don't coordinate yourself. You don't misbehave. Say he love me, I must love him back. You must love him back, of course. Oh, so I don't you want me to go back to poverty life? So I don't understand you. So if I tell me say you the first person come up to do for poverty. You think say the man a fool? You think say your eyes dey shine. You for go outside go stand in fire of the man come up to poverty. You think say the man a fool? Person love you, you supposed to calm down, love him back. Mariam. Kene, go outside. Plenty old men dey there. In fact, Mariam. Why they call my name now? Respect yourself. I warn you about something. You know if you warn me. I know if you warn you, Kene, you know if you warn me. Don't let us lose this opportunity. Kene, no let us lose this opportunity. Now I want to put on my 1 minute to my body. Okay.
Only you. And you be one day. Hello, Zara, only you. Away from the Zara, only you.
Sorry, who are you?
See, Jiro, you see us right now. Now me, Zara. Ha! You dey pretend say you don't know me. That same girl when you take advantage of because say she dey drunk. You don't remember me?
Oh.
Now you remember.
But I don't understand. What happened?
To my mama face. That one a long story. It's just as I talk to you like this way, I just dey come from Yankee where I go do face surgery. It shock you, Abi.
I knew it. I said it. I said it. You're beautiful. You're so beautiful. I must say I'm sorry. I'm sorry for taking advantage of you, but that thing I said, I love you, I'm for real.
Anyway, Jiro, you know, say that time, I drink. But right now, my eye clear. I want me to take advantage of me. Oh, yeah, and find the house.
Really?
Hey, I know just one believe say Kenefi talk all those things when she talk. I don't know why she don't just understand.
Babe. Babe. I understand this is hard for you. But the question I want to ask is, are you really going to leave me and marry that old man because he has money?
Hey! Which kind of rubbish talk you just talk? Nah. Who kind of water me wash your mouth? Which kind of nonsense thing be all this one now? No, you don't curse me. I don't like when person curse me. Now the same thing when Kenneth talk, when my body they pepper me, it vex me when person tell me all those nonsense. How go marry old man now? See, for your informate, no just anything, no talk anything, no think anything. For your informate, I no be anybody's slave. Yes, I know they for sale. I no be crayfish when they hawk round markets. You dey hear me so? I no fit marry that man because of money. That old man because of money. God forbid bad thing. You see you too. I no even kukuma love you. The only reason why they carry me come here na because say that man a 1 minute man. So I just they come here, they use you to satisfy myself. You don't hear me so. Nobody respect himself.
What did you just say?
Now you they speak English. I know sabi speak English. I don't talk as I fit talk.
Only you. And you be one day. Hello, Zara, only you. Away from Reggie, Baramo. Zara, only you. Away comes the joggy, Zara.
I know about your secret relationship, Zaram. Why are you hiding it? Sure. Because you can't touch her, follow me, Waka. You don't mind your business. Which kind of play be that one now? What you're doing to Dr. Jaja is not fair. It's not fair at all. He has done so much for us. What's your problem? Aproko, mind your business. What's it concern you? What's it they prepare you for body? Make I ask you. Now because of me, you they talk am. I mean, because say your eye don't do ojo kokoro, you don't dey chook enter in money. Oh please. Or na because say you don't dey fall in love with her. Which one? Zaram, don't be ridiculous. What's your problem? Which one be redo? Now listen to me. If it must have something to do with age, you have to stop deceiving the man. He has done so much for us. Shout for me again. The man deserves better. Free me. Wetin happen? Why you shout for me now? I be small pikin. No, look me, I be small pikin. I be adult. Don't dey shout for me. Respect yourself. Okay, now I respect you, respect yourself. My friend, shut up and listen to me. I be your sister. I mean, they say shut up. You come on here. I don't understand. You go come on here. You know if you come here and you're gonna shout for me. You go your house, go to shout for your ass. This place is my house. Respect yourself. It's okay. I'm sorry. It's just I want the best for you. Come on. Look at that.
Is this gate man not being trained by a professional?
No, come on, cut him some slack. Let's compare the West with our country here, alright? Come on in.
Trained by a professional?
Oh, come on. Cut him a slack. Alright? I'll compare it to the West. Thank you. Well, welcome, darling.
Hey.
Yusuf.
Yes, sir.
Get the bags from the car, okay? Get our bags in.
Alright, sir.
Good.
Daddy,
Yes.
are these your house girls?
Oh, Flourish. Please don't say that about my beautiful angel.
Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Which kind of insult be that one now? No more, they arrange everything the way it is day. You carry eyeglass, you know they take and sit in the road. Why you all have wife, you know so you look wear? For where I mean you dey see where? No tell me can they calm down again. No, which kind of respect? Who should be when they respect and make you wait first make her talk first. No, I don't like that kind. Why she go call us house girl? See, make I all tell you. Me and your papa will run things. Listen, chest time. You understand? That's all I be sometimes they happen. You understand? So your chest time. Don't talk to us anyhow again. Feel me so.
Sorry, ma. Sorry, sir. Please,
It's
don't
okay.
be offended.
It's okay. Flourish.
Daddy, what's going on here?
Listen.
What's going on here?
Zara.
Okay.
Calm down.
Okay.
This here is my daughter, Flourish.
Oh, now you land. Welcome, Flourish.
Oh, come on, girl. You're welcome back home.
Welcome, ma.
Face.
You fine, no. Senior now, what's the worry? Welcome, sis.
Oh, come on, let's all go inside, okay?
Eh, mo go inside. Oh, yeah, Flourish, come. They don't carry your bag. Come, no, they go inside. Come, wait. Come,
Flourish, I see you enjoyed your meal. Now that you've met Zaram and Kene, I would like you to know that Kene made the dish. Yes, she's quite the cook, and she does add a maternal touch to it.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Nice meeting you both. Ubima, waiting. I mean, I know verse, eh? I get where you go now. Sit down. This is more important. What's wrong with you? Eh? I'm gonna disgrace yourself. So, what do you do? Okay, I'm a graduate. And my sisters are... wait first. Make I introduce myself. Because I don't see this one I did first. Now, they like to the cost person. Oh, I can cross my leg. Oh, she did do. I know be graduate. No, so she did do hand. I know be graduate. Yes, because I don't see you be those spoiled rich children. When be like say they go just do their eye like this. They look person, proud their shoulder. They look person, say less. Come on. No. I don't like all those kind of spoiled rich kids when they say no get respect for their elder. You see this person is down for years, so this person went there, so now my elder sister. I don't like person talk to her anyhow. You understand? So you talk to, if you talk to her with respect. I know that the way they talk to you now. No, I know that the way they talk to you. Now let me get right to talk to you the way I like. Don't try yourself.
Zaram.
Don't tire.
Calm down.
Sorry. Don't mind now.
Flourish. I know you're very curious. So let me say this to you. I fell in love with Zaram here.
Don't hear him. I know Begamo.
Not because she's a graduate. Okay? I fell in love with her because I saw in her a very smart young woman.
That's she. Very smart. Smart though.
Though she did not have the best of education like some of us.
I know beggar. You still calm down. Keep the talk. Okay.
But she's not illiterate. She only dropped out at some point. Okay?
Because of condition.
I love her. And I would love you to accept her. Please. You see, these two sisters are quite bonded as a family. They are not like us. Yes, you see, even when they go through thick and thin, they still find a way to settle it and stick together.
Yes, we are a very nice family. We
Yes.
enjoy us.
They have this family value that I almost envy. Okay, I really would want to learn a lot from them, and I suggest you do the same too.
Yes.
About family bonding, how to be family. Okay?
Dad?
Yes.
It's been so long. I wasn't expecting all this.
I know, Flourish, I understand that. You know, you and I have made our own mistakes. I know. But it's never too late to make amends. It's never too late to start off afresh.
Oh, Daddy, please, just stop. Stop it already.
Flourish. Anyway.
I beg, make una no vessel. They speak English, I get important.
Which calm down now. I beg, put your phone for silence. We dey meeting. What's wrong with you? You don't really like show yourself.
Ladies, this is the time when we move to the next topic.
Another one still there.
What did they worry you?
You don't do the thing now.
Respect this man. Where they worry?
Yes, the next topic is how to make Zaram's birthday most memorable.
Dikeh, you remember my birthday? I thought I was not a better person. So,
you are a special person.
Yes. You need to teach this picky how to get respect. No, Doctor is a better person. No, but Dikeh is a better person. You need to hear.
Hello, ladies. We are here.
Okay. Thank you.
Flourish. Never mind. Everything will be fine.
Yes.
Dad?
Yes, baby.
Can we talk?
Oh, sure. Why not? Let's talk here. We're family.
No.
She does. Why you do?
I mean, you and I.
Here.
We need to talk.
Me, I know when person to call sister, be your senior sister, will give you back and stuff. I know they take you. Shut up, your you know they say they in front of big people, so but they you know where they come from. Now let me feel the disrespect. You don't teach them and respect. You need to teach them and respect. You know sabi anything. But not me say what happen. What I do again? You need to teach.
Flourish. I know that expression on your face.
Daddy, you claim to know it all. Yet, you still haven't found the one who murdered my mother.
Come on, Flourish. You need to drop that topic, Flourish. You do know I hurt too. Yes, I hurt deeply knowing that I will never see her again. Her absence causes me pains, sleepless nights also.
I blame you for causing her death.
Oh, come on. There you go again. For the past 10 years, Flourish. 10 years, and you have been accusing me of something I didn't do. You know, there were investigations and there were reports, especially the autopsy report, which showed clearly that your mother, my late wife, died of natural causes. Flourish, why do you still accuse me? Why?
Oh, really, Daddy? 10 years ago, I got tired of my mom consistently crying on my shoulders about your cheating habits. I got tired, Daddy. So I hired a private investigator. Oh yeah, I did. Take a good look at these pictures. Take a good look, Daddy. See that? This is you right here. And this is your side chick, Anita.
You know how much I loved your mother. I really loved her. She was once so gentle, so caring. She was my friend. But suddenly, she became a pain in the neck. Yes, she became so quarrelsome. I had to seek solace outside. I'm sorry.
Oh, the solace you sought outside killed my mom.
Oh, there you go again.
Yes, Daddy.
There you go with your wild accusations. Yes, Anita is my ex. But I know her. She wouldn't hurt a fly. I know Anita.
Really, Daddy? You are still defending her? You keep on defending the woman who killed my own mother? Daddy, it pains me so much. I am hurt. I am hurting inside.
You have to take it easy. Okay?
Okay.
Don't be paranoid about this. I don't
Fine.
think Anita can do any of such things.
Oh, really?
She couldn't have.
Okay. Daddy, take a good look at this again. Take a good look at this. From my private investigator.
Oh, gosh.
Mm-hmm.
What? Anita?
Of course, Daddy.
Huh.
That's you and your side chick, the one who murdered my mom. And you keep defending her.
Oh, Flourish, I didn't know. Anita? No. What? Oh. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Maurice, I'm so happy to see you getting so well along with Kenneth. That's nice.
Daddy, Kenya here is a wonderful woman.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. I have learned so much from her for this short period of time. She really knows what it takes to keep a family together.
Thank you.
That is absolutely correct. That is why they are very special people. I meant to say something about Zaram's forthcoming birthday. I want us to make a plan that will make it most memorable, but I would like us to keep it as our little secret, for the time being anyway. You see, on her birthday, I intend to propose to Zaram. Listen, Doc. Listen, remember, but I can't emphasize enough how much important it is for us to keep this as a little secret, okay?
Dr. Jaja, this is amazing. Zaram will be so surprised and, she'll be so excited. Thank you.
I know, I know. You can imagine her thinking that we're just going to mark her birthday party only for us to hit her with her own engagement party, okay? But the element of surprise wouldn't sink in very well if we let the cat out of the bag so early. So remember, we must keep it a secret.
Wow, the people for this place get the way they do. I still make I go do my hair. I can't reach just sit down, and ask make I come back.
Welcome.
Okay, right done now. Wow. Now the new ringtone be that one. Why you gonna do like that? What's happen? I don't do any bad thing. Why she can what's it they saw? Why you what I don't do again?
Now you're meeting.
On the contrary, you didn't do anything wrong. On the contrary, we were actually discussing on how to make your forthcoming birthday more memorable.
Thank you.
Yes, my darling.
I know say you better person. Hey, Dokeo. Are they hungry? You never still cook. Kene, what do you cook?
I don't understand.
Are they hungry now?
Who you keep as your asking? Eh?
You did ask now.
Come, behave yourself. Comport
They worry
yourself with the whole meeting.
Not the time for meeting for this. Okay, are they hungry? I beg you don't chop.
I was actually waiting for you.
Oh yeah, don't come out chop.
No problem.
Yeah, more go chop.
It's okay. It's okay. Would you like to have a drink first?
No, food though. Okay.
Dad,
Yes.
I do not like Zaram.
Flourish, don't tell me that after all these years, you still possess our family's negative traits of always witch hunting and suspecting those we actually should love and cherish? Huh?
Daddy, as your daughter, I suffered the negative effects of our family traits for so many years. Oh yes, I did. And to show you that I have learned the hard way, I will not and I will never allow you to get married to that girl. Do you know why? Because she talks and behaves like a street girl. She's a tout, just like your ex, Anita, who murdered my mom.
Please bring your voice down. You know we are not alone in this house. Okay. If it means anything to you, daughter, I blame myself. I still am heartbroken for the role I played in your mother's death. I'm sorry.
Daddy, for so many years, I blamed myself for not listening to my mother when she was complaining to me about your cheating habit. I just wish she was alive. You know what, Daddy? I will never allow you to make that same mistake again. Never.
Flourish. All these years you've been away, I've stayed back here, pained, lonely. I've been alone. You won't believe it, but there's been nights when I've gone to bed wishing never to wake up. Flourish, you're all that I have. I need more fulfillment to my life. I need a family. I need more children. I need a wife. After all these years, Flourish, I need your support. Please, help me. Let's rebuild this family together. Please, Flourish. Help your father.
Daddy.
Yes.
I don't agree you getting married to Zara. But for the sake of peace, I will support you.
That's my daughter. Thank you very much.
But I still don't like her. Zaram, you just have to stop this age-roll madness. This isn't right at all. I don't just like that guy. I don't like him at all.
No, you're not supposed to like him. I mean like him. No help me for the likeness. Which kind of nonsense talk going on? Why can't you came me? What's happen? See, I no go fit leave youthful love for old man romance. The only reason why me there na to gather small money when I go take sustain myself after I can't come up for this place. So respect yourself, don't disturb me. See, I get plans for future.
Zara, this isn't about money. You have to think about your future. Because Dr. Jaja, he loves you. Like he has this very strong feelings for you. He cares about you.
Now make me they gather the money when I want to sustain myself when I can't. You know the other side they talk. I beg, leave me. Leave me. Which kind of thing be this one now? Eh? Ejiro, the man when be like say, I love.
Which one be say you love Ejiro?
No, I love Ejiro.
I don't understand you. May you better behave yourself because this man they give us money. This man they take care of us. Behave yourself. Now maybe your senior sister.
What's going on here? Why you guys not dressed up to now? Don't you know our guest is waiting? Huh? I mean they do better, they made them wait. They tell me they go.
Please, hurry up. We are waiting for you guys downstairs.
Okay, ma.
When they worry you safe. Basically, they tell me you dress today na your bed.
As wait
as my madam, I will slap you.
If I marry Papa, I go be stepmother. She supposed to respect.
I don't like it. I will give you another
This may be best. I go.
Why you they talk to her like that?
Try am.
Oh no,
Try am.
I'll give you scan.
You
go another surgery. You go another surgery.
You think I know you dey beg me?
I beg come on.
Isn't she?
Can you come in?
Wow. Bro, isn't she gorgeous? She is. What? Zaram, come over here. Come and sit down. Come. Very beautiful.
I don't, sir.
Oh, come.
Aww. You fine, where are you? You said they try smile. Today na still birthday person birthday you do like say na burial you come. They try losing up.
Prof, thank you so much for coming to join us celebrate Zaram's special day.
Yes, thank you.
It's her birthday today. Yes. And I have something quite memorable already planned out.
Another one. Yes, thank you.
Something I hope she will appreciate.
Anytime you give me, I will collect.
And something that I'm so happy you're here today to witness.
My friend, go on.
Thank you, Prof. It's okay. Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you, Dr. Jaja.
Zara, you're so beautiful. You make me so happy. Zara, you're a special woman. You bring out the youthfulness in me. Please let me give you that tender, loving care that you deserve. Let me take care of you for the rest of our lives. Let me love you. Zara, please, will you marry me? Please, say yes.
Which kind of abomination be this one now? How old man would they need? Oga, first of all, get up first. Oga, get up. Which kind of tip? No. You know what make I live long?
You still beg me on top. You see this kind of they don't sit around and a bad person. I know say this thing now shock me. It shock me. Why you go do this kind of thing on my birthday now? You can't first shock me, reach my blood. The thing give me electric shock.
See, I know so you don't do plenty good things for me. And I thank you well. You be better man, I know. But this one you just do just an old gen now. Which kind of play be that one now? Abba, I know say you help me. You meet me when be like say I get that ugly mark for my face. You can't carry me go jammed. You can't go clean the mark, come out. I thank you for that one way. Me no be like say person they do any, I know they appreciate you. So now maybe they appreciate you. But this way you do just know they follow me. It don't make sense now. Which kind of don't you say me calm down, they pay me for body. How old man going enough for me tell me say you might despair, don't say live life together. Me and you know say if I marry this man now, I no go happy. And if I not happy, I want to make you happy. May you say check out now. You say when be friend, you know the reason things. You get something when don't make brain now. This kind of thing, no. This one it shocked me, reach my blood, and they pay me. You not supposed to do me this kind of thing now. So when my birthday when I'm supposed to be happy, now you scatter the party for my face, scatter the birthday for my face. Okay, you don't really try for me, but this way like say you just do swear. You know walk, you know follow. Which kind? Which kind talk with that one? No one that's not they dress me for ritual. Which kind thing with this one? Zara?
I'm sorry for the embarrassment. I didn't intend for this to happen. Kenny, you too? You want to leave? Kenny, please don't go. We both need you here, please.
Dr. Jaja, I have to go, please. I know Zaram has hurt you so much. I can't be part of this. Please, I feel so guilty and responsible about what's happening. I cannot stay.
Kenny, the past few days I've spent with you, I've learned a lot from you. Your presence in this house
has brought my father a lot of happiness. Please, for his sake, stay. Please. I have discussed with my dad, and since your sister Zaram does not want to get married to my dad, I suggested that you are going to make a better wife for him. Please, Kene, I'm begging you. Stay. I cannot. I don't want to hurt my sister Zaram. I hurt her when I inflicted a scar on her face, so I cannot withstand hurting her again.
Oh, come on, Kene. You can't go on living in self-guilt for the rest of your life. No, you can't do that. Remember, God used me to take away that same scar. Therefore, you've repaid her in full. Okay? See, you and I know how deeply, how strongly I feel for Zaram, your sister. But that Zaram has chosen to move on with another man. That's a choice. There's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing you and I, no one can do about it really, but the least you can do, Kene, is to stay back. Please, stay back and make me happy. That's all I ask from you.
Kene, please. I'm a woman, and I know how mature you are. I can understand you want the best for your sister. Something I couldn't do for my dad. I left him all alone, depressed, and I went away. I thought I could even build a stable relationship for myself. But no, it failed. So I am begging you, stay, please. I know you have feelings for my dad. Yeah, I can see that from the way you look at him. Kene. No, I cannot. I can't. This would cause a very big problem between my sister and I. So I cannot. I don't want to hurt my sister anymore. I need to move. I need to go. I cannot hurt my sister.
You can think about it, right? You cannot. If you know we can talk about it.
Daddy, don't worry. I'll talk to her. Alright? Don't worry. I can do this. I'll fix this.
Only you. And you one hello, Zara, only you. Away from the Zara, only you. Away comes in the joggy, Zara, only you. Zara, only you. Zara, only you. I love you, Panada. Never one more. Zara, only you.
Sarah, please, you have to stop this. You are hurting Dr. Jaja. We miss you so much. Please come back. Come back, please. Or at least pick up my calls or return it, please.
No.
Baby.
No.
Baby, don't be scared.
No.
It's me.
No, today.
It's me.
No, this is...
Baby, it is me, flesh and blood.
No, this is not you.
Don't be scared, please. It's me.
No, don't come.
Just feel me. You can feel me. It's me.
Didi.
It's me. It's me.
Didi.
It's me, Dede. It's me. I'm sorry for everything you must have gone through. Okay? It's me. I'm back.
Is this really you?
Yes, flesh and blood. Okay? I will explain everything later. Okay? I will tell you everything that happened. It's me. I'm back.
Didi, I mourned you. I cried. I thought you were gone forever. I saw the pictures. The pictures. I don't...
I understand. Baby, I understand. Okay? I will tell you everything. I will explain everything to you later. Okay? I'm deeply sorry about everything. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, okay? I'm back.
This
I'm
is
going
you.
nowhere.
You're here, right?
It is me. It is me. You see...
It's you. It's you, Didi.
Yes. Yes. I'm not dead. I'm alive. You know, the pictures that was sent to you is all a setup.
What?
Yes, by my boss, Ajibade. He forced me into drugs. He wanted me to join drug dealing. I refused. Then he tried to kill me.
Didi, I went through a lot. The pains, the trauma, everything. Didi, I missed you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything I've done, Sarah. Please, I'm sorry. I miss you. I miss everything about you. Please.
I understand, baby. I'm sorry.
Come here. Come here. Sorry. Yes, I know. You're bad. I miss you so much.
Are you not the one I'm talking to? What is wrong with you? Why do you keep acting as if you're better than everyone else? Zaram!
Why you gonna shout, Mr. Perfect? Why you raise your voice? What's it happen? Eh? You be broke man, you still get pride. You suppose they humble. People ain't broke, they humble. You suppose they humble. After me, they take your so you go they humble yourself. Now you talk to me anyhow. Which kind of sense is that one now? No respect yourself. What do you want to do, sir?
Listen to me, Zaram. Don't push me. You don't want to meet my demons. Don't even try it.
You be a robot demon? When do you go do people and get demon? What you feel do? You won't beat me? You won't beat me? I don't push you. What you feel do?
I'm warning you.
Hey, what you they want?
I'm warning
you. Won't beat me? You won't beat me, Edro?
Zaram, you need to ask questions about me.
Who be you?
Don't even try it.
Who be you? One that I know get for the bank account. Who be you? You broke. You don't get money. You still a fun fine boy. You a fun big boy. Nothing but try to manage you. Tell do this myself.
What's wrong?
What you I know you didn't like that. What did it worry you? You didn't mad. You didn't crazy.
Oh, babe. I used to stare at our initials you carved. You know, it made me feel like you were still alive.
You know, love symbols have a way of bringing back couples together. You know, that's connection. I mean, it is...
Look, I'm so happy that we're together again.
I'm so happy too. Yeah, that reminds me, I think I need to carve it back.
No,
yeah?
no, hold on. Not yet. I'm not sure you're really back. When I am sure, we'll carve it again.
So how else do you want to be sure that I'm back? I am back. This is me. Or you want me to give you some knocking?
Something else, please.
You still want some, you know. I know you. Not a girl.
Stop it.
So, it's okay. It's okay. Tell me about Zaram and the old man.
Obin, please. I don't want anything that will ruin this moment right now. I don't want to talk about it.
I mean, just, you know, light conversation. But I think she shouldn't marry that man because he helped her. Nah, I mean, it's not a yardstick now. You can't just go into marriage because someone helped you. There must be love, you know, some connection, some things. Am I going to do her?
Well, look, I don't blame her. We've suffered so much because we're from a background that lacked the platform that is supposed to give us the future we deserve. You were almost killed because of lack of the same platform. I actually thought that Zaram was going to marry Dr. Jaja, so we can have the chance to change our family story for better. But right now, I really don't know. Gosh, I don't know.
Well, baby, the thing is, it is her decision to make, not ours to decide. And Zaram knows what is best for her more than you do, or I do. Okay, and to maintain this peace, you know, in the family, you just need to allow her, you know, do her thing. Do you get? So it's all good. It's all good.
Obin, this is exactly what I missed about you. I'm sorry I didn't listen to you. Promise me you will never leave me again.
I promise.
Are you sure?
Sure. Oh, baby. Honestly. Onyekwa?
I don't know. Maybe you just have to.
Let me check.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of inner most beauty.
Good day, sir. I haven't heard from Zaram. She won't take my calls.
Oh, that's okay, Dikeh. We're not here to see Zaram. We're actually here to speak to you.
Dikeh, after my mother's death, I became depressed. I even hated my own family. I was scared of getting married. And just look at me. I am 40 and I've hit menopause. Dikeh, please. I and my dad have agreed that we need more children in our family. That's why we came to beg you. Dikeh, we understand that family backgrounds can actually influence one's destiny. But we choose you because you are a rare value. You are a virtuous woman. Dikeh, please, woman to woman, I have come to beg you. Please, Dikeh, you don't marry my father. Please, I'm begging you.
Listen. Can I talk? Listen, I am no longer on that lane with you. I am done. Okay? I am done. You're very selfish and wicked. Because I am no longer there with you. What nonsense? No. Just shut up. Don't use that against me. Don't use that against me. Because what kind of rubbish is that? Intimidation everywhere. Is that how a virtuous woman should behave? Please, I'm done. Listen, let me talk. I'm talking. I'm saying my own. I'm done. Stop calling me. Don't put me into trouble. Biko. Don't cause problems for me. Rubbish. What kind of nonsense is this? You want to use me anyhow you want. Treat me anyhow you want. Very selfish human being. Lack manners. No home training. Rubbish. Can you stay in Olum White? Let me even put my phone on silent before this stupid girl will stain my white. Rubbish.
Dr. Jaja, I understand you very well. And at this point, maybe I could have considered it. But my boyfriend, Dede, is back.
What? But Zaram told me Dede has been murdered.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of inner lost beauty of us. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo, baby, more and more. Baby, more and more. I love your jumbo.
Okay. I know so you go dey feel say I betray you right now. I no betray you, I no dey do all those kind things, I no be snitch. See me so for cartel I dey hold am down. And I wetin make me no marry you be that because I be good person. No listen to what any person don't tell you about me. I be very better person. See. Make I tell you. If I marry you now, I go to cheat on you. You understand? And if I can't begin cheat on you now, people go they blame me. Say, I don't want to give my sister a problem. I don't want people to call my name every time. My sister go they cry every time. No, you understand? What I need for this my life now, a very youthful blood. Nothing at all they make me go. Why is it people know they like truth for this life? Anyway, see Edo, the man and woman.
Hello. Hi, brother.
No.
Now the man when I want marry be this so. Edo.
Hello.
See my sister.
In-law.
Hey! They one. I don't believe say you die you. Hey, Jiro. You see this guy? Now crook. Oh, bone get crook.
I don't really think about that.
Yes. Dede. I tell you. I don't ever believe saying anything. You see this guy? He get 9 life. Hey! You be real crook. Now just my sister and I know they understand it. You know, just Sabi put 1 and 2 together and say this guy only play one kind for 1 night. What if he kill this guy? Serious crook. You know, say even when they do I want to come, my sister will be criminal. You see this one? Yeah, they back. Hey, Salami, don't do. I beg, you don't do. Oh, yeah, no vex now, no vex. I know they try to talk, but you know what they stop like this so, Dede. No say you know my guy. If you dare for once, Dede, now you are they talk to. If you for once try this, my sister say you make her cry. I go just. Can you one amo? Can you one amo?
Zaram, please.
abeg,
I
abeg,
see don't come back
abeg,
like this
abeg.
to make everybody all rest.
Abeg, e don do. E don do, abeg. Ah,
I mean I begin prepare when you want stop.
Zaram, I am so tired of your behavior. I've had it up to here. You're so disrespectful. You're so full of shit. You're so arrogant.
You're not a shout for me. I don't be your pikin. No carry your frustration for life being put for my body. Anybody may just get problem. Go carry and say na Zaram. Zaram, I need to do everything. Every battle in this life na Zaram. You don't leave me rest. Especially all this one now.
Zaram, what I'm saying is simple. Change your character. You have bad character.
So you might get good character.
Dr. Jaja must have tolerated so much from you, but me, I swear to God, I'm going to so beat you. I'm going to so design your face.
No, they mention that man name again. Dr. Jaja this, Dr. Jaja. No try and okay better pass. Why they jealous man? Because he be better man. No, they try and no they jealous. No call his name again. You don't reach to call his name. Go back first. What you
don't try me. I told you I have demons. You don't want to experience my demons. Don't try me.
Ejiro, if you try me, I swear to God, then if I don't boy your generation well, if you try me, you go, I will show you down the street and they fear you. So avoid this one. Then they walk you.
Zaram, don't try me.
So you first when some people say no try.
You're mad.
You did Christ.
You're telling me. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. You're trying me. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad.
Stupid man.
Hey, Lindy, wait. Can I talk? Can I at least talk? Always you like talking. You don't even allow someone to express his own feeling. Listen. I have suffered a lot because of you. Yes. I even had to fake my own death because of you, Lindy. And what did I get in return? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. If you put to bed, I will come and confirm. I have to run a paternity test though. I have to run a paternity test to make sure it's my child. And if it's my child, no problem. We'll know how to go about it. Lindy, you cannot do anything. You can't. Yes, you can't. Listen, as
You are so pathetic, Dede. You abandoned me when I needed you most. Gosh, what's that? You have the guts to fake your own death. God, what have I done to deserve this? What is it? What is it, Dede?
will you stop shouting? It was a nagging and controlling attitude that caused it all.
No, you don't. You don't have to blame me. The fact remains that you have low self-esteem, Dede. Dede, you are wicked and heartless. To think of all the stories with Mr. Jibade, sending pictures of you supposedly dead. Zaram warned me about you, but I was stupid.
Listen, we can build a family together.
No, don't. Dede, if you don't leave this house, I will kill you. And this time, your death won't be faked.
The guy she introduced as her husband to be, what's his name? Ejiro. That's the guy inside the keke.
Stay away from me. Dede, can you just get out from here? Get away from this place. Not that. What did you see? Saram.
Allow me to help her now.
Let's start from here. Leave me alone. Just leave me and get out from here, please. Dede, leave me.
Allow me to help out now.
Saram, what are we going to do now? What are we going to do now? I don't have money. I don't have any money.
Let's get to the hospital.
Okay,
first.
wait. What are you doing?
Look at what you've gotten yourself into. God. Now you're having internal bleeding. And we don't even have the money to take you to the hospital. Because of what we did to Dr. Jaja. He has decided not to help us. I don't like this. Well, I don't even blame him. I've been calling him. He doesn't want to take my calls. Just tired.
Kenny, you too dey worry yourself. Relax. I won't beg you for something. I want me you forgive Dede.
I don't understand. You have a very critical condition here and you're more concerned about Dede. What's wrong with you? I told you what Dede did to me. And you're talking about him? I beg, no, just make me vex, I beg you. Don't call that name for you.
And I only mistake him make. But he truly love you.
He no love me. I want a very big lie. Person when get picking with another woman. He has a child with another woman. How would you say he loves me? For what?
Kenny. He know they beat you the way Jiro beats me. You know catch him for hotel with another woman. In fact, with your best friend. Like what you know Sas to me.
Doctor.
Kenneth. Kenneth, I know you asked me not to intervene. Okay, but I know you need his help. Yeah? Just calm down. Go.
Doctor.
You know well enough to say anything now. We need to get her to an hospital.
Yes.
Don't worry. When you're well and fit, you say everything you need to say. Okay?
Please help me take her in the car.
Okay, now let's get her into the car. Let's save lives first.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty. But it comes because of inner lost beauty of us. Yeah.
Notice him.
Good day, sir.
Good day, you're welcome. Listen now.
Yes, sir. I thank you for everything when you do for me. You know, abandon me when everything be like say it don't end for me. You still stay by me. You be better person and you get better mind. God will continue to dey bless you. Everything when I do you, I dey very sorry. And na because of say, I feel say Flourish no like me. Now it make me do wetin I do. You know girl who they go put sugar for him mouth and go say na bitter leaf him want. Abeg no vex. Forgive me. I know say you get good mind. Abeg.
It's okay, please sit down.
Thank you.
sit by me.
Welcome.
Yes, ladies, I asked him over the moment you called to say you were coming. Well, first, I want to say that forgiveness is the very fabric of family, while love paints its colors. You see, it is only by love and forgiveness and patience can we be called beautiful people. Love and familyhood is everything. That much at least I have learned. Kele, we can't be said to be beautiful people if we do not learn to love, to forgive, to be patient with those we care about. And that is why I want us to be here today for this earnest discussion. Kene, I must say that I have spent some time with Dede here. I have interacted with him and I have found him to be a good man. Of course, you are a very great young woman, okay? And based on that, it's only proper, since he has confessed and professed love for you, it's only proper that you both come together, forgive, and come back together. I am sure you will make a perfect couple if you do. You know, live life blissfully. That is what it should be. I know that the economic quagmire in the entire nation is affecting everybody. Because of that, because I see he's a good man. And for that, I have decided to sponsor you both. Yes. I'll change your lives, make it more meaningful, so long as Dede here will promise to make Kene very happy for the rest of our life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't sit up. Come on. Come on.
Thank
Come on.
Thank you.
Just promise me that you will take care of her, because Kene is an epitome of familyhood. She has taught me a lot of things. My daughter also, you know, she loves family.
This virtuous
Exactly.
woman. Yes.
She is a virtuous woman. You just have to assure me that you will keep her happy.
I will, in my honor.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Yes.
That's when Dr. Jaja just talk now. I agree with that. Please, we don't be quarrel, no make any.
And Zaram, you did make mention of wanting to get back on your education. I don't know. I don't know if you're still interested.
I get plenty interest. When they go push sugar for a man, they don't know to leave you. Well, I get interest.
Okay. I will sponsor you then. To any height you want.
Hi. Before I say you be better man. When they go push sugar for a man, they don't know to leave you one. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I know say you don't want me again. But thank you. That this one I gave. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dog.
It's okay. It's okay. All right. The truth is, you did make mention of Flourish. My daughter initially didn't like you. Yes, she was that straightforward with it. But at the end, just before she traveled back overseas, she solicited on your behalf. She asked me to do this, so you'll equally have a better life. So.
God bless him.
So, my baby, I promise to love you forever. I promise to take good care of you. I promise to always stand by your side no matter what life throws at us. We will always stand together to conquer.
Of course, I promise to stand by you. And I know our love will continue to grow till the end of time. Ew. This ring is giving.
Right?
It just fits in my body. Look at it. It's fine. Diamond. Oh, I love you, darling. Baby.
Is darling?
I think we should go inside and carve our initials. Don't you think so?
Oh yes, right away.
Yes, this is the right.
Aww, I got love. Love one wound both of now.
Zara, you're ready for school, really?
Yes. I'm actually ready to go. And I'll miss you both.
We're going to miss you more. Honestly. Well, you have to do what you have to do.
Yeah.
So, Zara, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know, for forgiving me. I really appreciate it.
No, it's fine. It's okay. Okay? You know what? Please take care of my nephew.
How did you know we're going to give birth to a boy?
No, I read it somewhere that, you know, if you're positive enough, everything will just work out fine. So.
So I believe. Alright, Zara. I just wish Dr. Jaja would forgive you and get married to you. It's been 5 months since I recovered. Called him severally and he has refused to take or return my calls. But it's okay. I just want to focus on my studies for now. We're going to get married right now. It's fine. You have to start going to school before you go. Yes, I have to. And please always communicate to us. Please.
I will communicate with you guys. Don't worry.
Someone else. Oh, is there?
Yeah, coming. Oh.
Mr. Jaja.
Doc, good day.
Good evening. Kene. Dode.
You're welcome, Doc.
How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
How are you, Zaram?
Very well, thank you.
Well, Zaram, I have not come here to say that I've forgotten all you did to me, because I won't. I'm also not here to say that I want to take you back. I'm here because Flourish, my daughter, made me make a promise to her before she traveled back overseas. She made me do what I'm about to do right now. Caesaram, I would love you to agree to a contract marriage with me. Yes. You're actually a good woman. You are. And I would love you to bear me a child or two. I am willing to make you an offer. Whatever amount you want, I'm willing to pay if you would agree.
Anyway, I cannot talk about that right now. I really have to go to school. Have a nice day.
Why don't I drop you off at school?
No, don't worry, I'll be fine. I can take care of myself. Thank you.
Dr. Jaja, please. We welcome the idea. I think you should consider marrying her. You know you loved her passionately when she was a bad girl, and now she's changed. I think you should consider that, Dr. Jaja, please.
Doc, you leave it for me. Huh?
Yes.
I'll talk to her. I'll talk sense into her. Can I put some words?
Can you imagine?
I'm in love, I'm in love. Come rain, come sunshine, now you go be, you be waiting, I price you. I love waiting, I see, I am ready to do anything to keep them all. I'm in love, I'm in love. Come rain, come sunshine, I'm in love. Now you go be, you be waiting, I price you. I won't give them all for myself. I am deeply in love because I'm in love, love. Come rain, come sunshine, now you go be, you be waiting, I price you. No matter what they say or think about you, oh Malicha, you're my spec and I love you. Keep up, money.